Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of FY, where we get to speak to our favorite personalities and get to hear about them, including their struggles and their successes. आज ही जो मेरी गेस्ट हैं वो एक डायनामिक सुपर वुमन है. मैं उनको बहुत अरसे से जानती हूँ, बचपन से ही जानती हूँ ऑलमोस्ट, समझें. She is this light-eyed, beautiful woman who has triumphed in many fields, and from being a cosmetic powerhouse to being an actor, to being a producer, to being an activist, to being a patriot, and there's so many other things that can go on and on, but let's hear it from her. उन्हीं से सुनते हैं, उन्हीं की ज़बानी. None other than Atika Odo. Hi Atika.
Hello.
Was that good enough?
I'm so impressed with myself right now.
No, but it is true. I mean, you know, मैं भूल जाती हूँ because मैं इतने अरसे से तुम्हें जानती हूँ. कभी-कभी जब वापस आपसे बात होती नहीं है ना, सोशली भी मिलते हैं, तो पिछली बार मुझे याद है your husband and you picked me up and we went to the Shaukat Khanum.
Yes, fundraiser
together. And और फिर हमारी बातें होती रहती प्रेडा के ग्रुप के ऊपर, ओके, लेकिन ऐसे बैठ के बात नहीं होती. फिर देयर सो मच दैट यू नीड टू लर्न. फिर मुझे जब रिसर्च मिलती है तो फिर मैं कहती हूँ अल्लाह ये भी किया था, अच्छा ये भी था, वो आई फॉरगॉट, यू नो. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस जर्नी. एंड यू नो यूजुअली जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम शुरू से स्टार्ट करते हैं. And let's start from the very, very beginning. So basically, Atika, you are a Sindhi, right? The Odo is a big Sindhi name, right? And you are from Karachi, yes? And you went to the same school as I did. She went to the Jesus and Mary. Acha. And are you the eldest?
Eldest. शुरू करने से पहले सबसे पहले मैं सबको सलाम करना चाहूँगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज हमारी एक बहुत बड़ी ऑडियंस होती है, तो सबको सलाम, चाहे आप पाकिस्तान में रह रहे हैं या कहीं दुनिया में रह रहे हैं और आप फ्रिया का ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं, आप सबको वेलकम. And I'm delighted to be here because Freya and I have known each other a long, long time. In fact, it's the second time that you're interviewing me.
Oh.
You don't remember the first time?
No, I don't.
मैं ये सोच के आई थी आज.
नहीं.
आपने बहुत साल पहले मेरी और मेरी बेटी का इंटरव्यू किया था क्वींस रोड के पार्क में.
Oh my God, yes, लग स्टाइल की दुनिया.
तो वो मेरे पास तस्वीरें भी हैं.
मेरे पास भी हैं.
हाँ.
Oh my God.
So this is the second interview you and I are doing together.
My God.
सोचो. उमनिया was this high. My daughter was इतनी छोटी सी थी. और in fact you had her interview me and you were the producer and the director.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. What a memory, yeah. Okay, fine. So.
And I have to also I have the picture of you with your children as babies.
Yeah.
In my New York apartment.
That's right.
So I need to send
I
you 2-3
remember
pictures.
that today. देखो कितनी याद, मुझे वो सुबह याद आया कि यार मैं तो न्यूयॉर्क गई थी. I was on my way to Philadelphia or going to Washington, and I stopped.
And you stopped with me, yes.
And my son broke your ashtray.
And also हाय अल्लाह
कुरान.
लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे लोगों को बताना ये चाहूँगी कि मैं फ्रिया को बहुत अरसे से जानती हूँ, और आज हम ये इंटरव्यू तो करेंगे दोस्त बन के. और बहुत से लोग इनके बारे में बहुत सी चीज़ें कहते हैं, और अक्सर लोग कहते हैं बड़ी डाडी है, ये है वो है. मैं आपको बताऊँ, फॉर मी शी इज़ एक्चुअली द सुपर वुमन, सर्वाइवर एंड सक्सेसफुल. एंड मैंने देखा है इन्होंने फैशन इंडस्ट्री को कितना चेंज किया ओवर द इयर्स, और मीडिया में भी क्या करती हैं, देन प्रोडक्ट में क्या करती हैं. सो यहाँ पे ना एक दूसरे की थोड़ी कदर करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. वी फॉरगेट टू अप्रिशिएट हाउ मच us girls have struggled actually. I've seen you struggle through so much actually. And people don't know because you have this beautiful facade you keep up.
Yeah. Well, I'm like an open book. मैं तो जो कुछ भी है मैं कहती हूँ गूगल कर लो जाके, सब पता चल जाएगा. मैं झूठ तो बोलती नहीं हूँ. सब कुछ जो है सामने है. और ये है कि मगर जो सबसे खूबसूरत बात अतीका ने की है इस वक्त वो ये है कि you have to lift women up, uplift the women. Don't bring them down. हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत चाकी चीक
नहीं, जनरली ऑल्सो प्रिया, पाकिस्तान में हमारा एक मसला है कि हम आपस में जो पाकिस्तानी होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को हमेशा नीचे खींचते हैं, चाहे पाकिस्तान के अंदर हो या बाहर हो. और बड़ा मुझे इतना दुख होता है क्योंकि देखें आपकी किस्मत में जो चीज़ लिखी हुई है ना वो होगी. कोई आपकी किस्मत नहीं चेंज कर सकता. जो अल्लाह ताला ने लिखा है आपके लिए वो होगा. तो किसी और के टांग खींचना, किसी और का पत्ता काटना, ऑल दिस थिंग्स दैट पीपल डू, आई फाइंड इट सो सैड बिकॉज आपकी अपनी एक नीयत नज़र आ जाती है. इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू आई थिंक support people.
Yeah.
And I'm very community driven, you know.
मुझे तो पता है.
हाँ, community driven. अभी ACT की भी मैं chairperson हूँ. हम प्रेडा में साथ काम कर रहे हैं, which is a PR agency committee. तो जब तक आप एक एज अ कम्युनिटी साथ नहीं चलेंगे, आपकी तरक्की इंडिविजुअली नहीं होती. स्केल ही नहीं चेंज होता आपका ना. आई मीन यू कांट चेंज द, if you don't change the environment, then how are you going to grow?
Yeah.
So that's how I look at things, basically.
Yeah. Me too. I also think that, and आजकल जिस तरह मुझसे पूछ रही थी पहले कि कितनी सारी you know कहाँ घूमती रहती हो, तो the key word सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे बात होती थी, अब सारी चीज़ें कोलैबोरेशन पे होती है. द की वर्ड इज कोलैबोरेशन नाउ.
Yes.
ठीक है, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी कोलैबोरेशन होती है.
Yeah, and actually that's the way to go. बिकॉज दुनिया के देखे ना, हर चीज़ अब बहुत श्रिंक हो गई है ना, यानी कि कोई बॉर्डर्स तो है नहीं. अब सोशल मीडिया पे जब आप ये लगाएंगी तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी हमें. अच्छा, मैं सालों से ये कह रही हूँ कि हमारा जब उर्दू ड्रामा अब तो यूट्यूब पे आ गया ना, पहले तो जब सैटेलाइट पे भी था, इवन देन मिनिमम हम 72 कंट्रीज को हिट कर रहे थे. तो मैं हमेशा जो ये नौजवान नस्ल जो आ रही है ड्रामा में, उनको कहती हूँ कि जो आप काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे ना, इसको हल्का ना लें, बिकॉज इट विल आउटलिव यू. इट विल बी देयर फॉरएवर. यूट्यूब से कभी उतरेगा नहीं. अभी भी सितारा, मिरुनिसा, दाश, निजात सब देखते हैं लोग यूट्यूब पे. तो हमारा जो काम है ना, वो उसके एक अपनी एक लाइफ स्पैन है. वी शुडंट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड एट ऑल. कमिंग बैक टू हु आई एम एंड वेयर आई एम फ्रॉम.
आई वाज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग यू बैक. ऐसा कब वापस आ जाओ.
So I'm basically a Karachi girl. I was born in Karachi, brought up in Karachi. I've lived all over the world. I've traveled a lot. And I've always come back to Karachi. I don't know what it is. I curse the city every day. गंदा है, धूल है, मिट्टी है, ट्रैफिक है, नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन है. लेकिन पता नहीं क्या, मैं न्यूयॉर्क छोड़ के वापस आ गई, लंदन छोड़ के वापस आ गई, मिडल ईस्ट छोड़ के वापस आ गई. आई जस्ट डोंट नो. समहाउ ऑफ कोर्स वर्क इज़ हियर, मदर, सिस्टर्स, फैमिली इज़ हियर. सो दोज थिंग्स डू पुल यू बैक. बट आई एम अ कंप्लीट कराची गर्ल.
I only know one sister, Leila. You have 5 sisters?
We are total 5. I'm the eldest.
Okay.
Then there's my sister Marine. She's a PhD in English literature.
Wow.
And she did her whole thesis on Shakespeare's impact on Pakistan. So, and she's the most educated out of all of us. The rest of us are useless. Then there's Leila. She's on number 3. She's the artist and, you know.
She's running the school.
Very talented and has a brand called So Unique, which she does a lot of pre-loved furniture sort of business. Then there's another sister, Amira. She's actually a college counselor for young kids who are going off to study.
Okay.
And then there's the youngest is Amal, who is basically on admin sort of level at a Montessori here in Karachi.
Wow.
So she takes care of, like, all our sisters have like every age range we have sort of, you know, captured.
Wow. Yeah.
So all of us work. We all do different things. I'm the only one in media. And
so your father passed away earlier?
No, so my parents actually, I came from a broken home.
Achha.
So my parents divorced when I was about 7-8 years old. Achha. And then they both remarried. So I am a product of a broken home and had those challenges and struggles. And father died very young, and he was young and I was young. I lost my father when I was 19 and he was only 43. He died of cancer. And
I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah,
and
this is why you work with cancer as well.
Yes, that and so many other things, you know, when you have a loss, you kind of know.
Yeah, I know.
And prime caregiver has been mother. She's been there throughout, and sort of the very stable parent in all our lives. And she and I have a very interesting relationship because we are more like sisters than mother-daughter. And I would say the same about me and my daughter. So all 3 of us generations were more like siblings actually, you know, and similar sort of attitude, like, you know, we'll down to each other and we'll also, you know, advise each other, and it's because a very age gaps bahut kam hai hum sab ke beech. And the first boy that was born in the family was my son.
Wow.
And Bilal. And I remember that when I was at Dufferin giving birth to him, and they brought him out from the theatre, my mother actually opened the diaper to look कि लड़का कैसे हो सकता है इस खानदान में. हमारी तो, because we are all girls, it's primarily a female family. I mean, there's so many women in this family. Then after that, my other sisters had 1 boy each, but very few boys in the family, a lot of women.
Yeah, Leila has twins.
She has twins and then a son.
अच्छा,
she had the son then, yes.
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ
हाँ.
कि when you were 7 and 8 years old, right? And your parents got divorced. What did you go through? Did they sit you down? जिस तरह करते हैं ना माँ बाप बिठा के पहले बात करते हैं. ऐसा सब कुछ हुआ या नहीं?
नहीं तो यही तो है.
बहुत पुरानी ज़माने की बात है ना, तो it must have been
भाई उस जनरेशन में मसला यही था ना कि they would say कि बच्चों से बात ना करो, पता नहीं चलेगा.
और डिवोर्स होनी भी नहीं चाहिए ना.
I found out from my friends in school that my parents had divorced and remarried. So that was a separate trauma altogether. So the outcome of that was that I started to tell my children everything from day one. They said, "Oh, too much information. Now, we don't need to know." I'm like, well, I feel you need to know because we were not told things on time, and that became more traumatic for us. So it does. I mean, we all have our own.
Yeah.
You know, we all have our own trauma.
8, 7,
yeah, but
ये उस ज़माने में इस तरह होता था ना कि ज़्यादातर पेरेंट्स बताते नहीं थे, and then you know then they don't want to hurt your feelings.
Yeah.
वो इसीलिए कर रहे होते हैं कि आपकी फीलिंग, बट उल्टा वो जो है ना वो कहीं और से सुनना, वो तो भी बाद में समझ आती है ना. आजकल के ज़माने में तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर है, सो हमें पता है कि किस तरह हैंडल करना, पेरेंटिंग कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है. तो मुझे बताओ कि बिकॉज आई मीन आई एम जस्ट क्वेश्चनिंग दिस बिकॉज you got married very early. And how did you get married? I mean, माँ बाप उस ज़माने में तो हम इतना बांध के रखते थे.
I think when you're a product of a broken home, you do a lot of things for different reasons. Like I was craving family. I was craving a male figure in my life. I had no dad, so there was always that image missing in the picture. I wanted a man to come and sort of, you know, be a part of my life, and so hence I looked for marriage and relationship and way too early. Unfortunately, it didn't work out because when you marry as kids, it doesn't work out. And I came out of that marriage with 2 children, lovely children. The one thing I have to say, when people say, "No, oh, I'm successful in this, that," and even in your intro, I always say, you know, everything else is so unnecessary. Actually, my greatest, I think, achievement is that I have very good kids. You know the feeling, because you've also brought up lovely children. तो मैं सबसे बड़ी जो चीज़ मेरी है वो ये है कि मेरे माशाल्लाह से बच्चे जो हैं ईमानदार हैं, तमीज़दार हैं, मेहनती हैं, गॉड फियरिंग हैं. उनके अपने अपने क्वर्क्स तो हैं, इंसान हैं, लेकिन ये है कि दे आर गुड पीपल.
मुझे तुरहान कल आया मेरे पास, आसिम अज़हर की वो नई लॉन्च थी उसके एल्बम की, तो मुझे कहता है, "मम्मी, you know this girl Omnia?" and I said, "हाँ, of course I know her. She's Atika's daughter. You know, Atika's coming over for the thing." He said, "This is what she looks like." I said, "Yeah, she's a really cool girl. She's managing Talal Qureshi." And I said, "Yeah, I know her very well." It was so funny. I said, "This is so funny because we're going to sit with Atika tomorrow, and you know, there's
no, actually, you know, Priya, like for instance, one of the girls that Umnia is very close to, Iman, is Marina's niece.
Acha.
So when I see these girls and boys at that generation connect, like each other, talk to each other. Bilal has done a lot of work with Adil Umar, Zainab's son.
Yeah.
तो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. हमने कहा यार ये देखो ये अगली नस्ल जो है ना, इनकी एक मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
हुए हैं किसी ना किसी तरह डॉट्स जुड़ जाते हैं.
Yeah.
So now I want to know a little bit. So मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आ रही ना, मैं पहले ये सोचती हूँ कि हमारे ज़माने में, मेरे ज़माने में एटलीस्ट, we're not you're younger than me but close enough in age. हमारे तो पेरेंट्स बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होते थे. How did you connect with your husband to be?
The first husband?
के या माँ को पता था?
No, तो हमारे लिए फ़ायदा ये था कि families, his nani, my nani were childhood friends.
अच्छा.
The mothers went to school together. Families were like this. So it was very easy actually.
अच्छा.
And the other thing is, I feel, and I could be wrong and my mother can correct me later, is, you know, I was born a beautiful child. And I grew up very fast. At age 12, 13, 14, I looked like an 18, 19-year-old. I looked like a woman. I blossomed very early. And I actually, I had a line of boys outside Jesus and Mary. I didn't know from anywhere, but they were fighting amongst each other over my attention.
Wow.
So I think, I have a feeling my mother thought it's best that she actually finds and settles rather than having these problems. Because I could have become a very problematic child otherwise.
Could be rebellious. I mean, मैं यही सोच रही थी कि how did the parents agree to such a young?
No, दोस्तियाँ बहुत थी ना families में. It was like almost like the same family. And for me, because I was getting so much unnecessary attention all the time, I had my first stalker at 12, and he followed me on a bike to school every day from Queen's Road to Jesus and Mary.
डर लगता था ये?
Of course, eventually
गार्ड भी नहीं होते थे उस जमाने में?
eventually तो FIA got involved and उसको
अच्छा।
उठाया, फिर उसको 4 दिन बंद रखा. It was terrible.
अल्लाह।
I was 12 years old. So my mother realized that she was also single parent. You see, my father had moved away. She thought, oh my God, ये तो बहुत problem हो जाएगी, बेहतर है कि कहीं settle हो जाए. And I don't think it was a bad idea actually. When I look back, at least it kept me on one straight path.
Yeah.
I had beautiful children with him. The marriage didn't work. We were kids, fell apart. But the children are wonderful, good outcome. And then of course I took a few years. I came out of that, took a few years, made a career.
Yeah.
मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा सबक सीखा कि आप शादी कर लें, कुछ भी कर लें, लेकिन औरत को अपनी कमाई करनी चाहिए.
This is what I was coming to, because from what I'm reading in my notes is that Atika kind of took over the role as the lead in the family. Is that true?
Well, I am the eldest in the family.
So-
I was the boy my mother never had. So I had to take care of my mother, my sisters, my children. एक उसमें एक असर ये भी था कि वो बैड कॉप वाला चक्कर होता है ना, कि आप हमेशा कोई ना कोई आपसे डर रहा होता है. Just a few years ago, I said to my family, I don't want this role anymore.
अच्छा.
You're all grown up now. I want to be liked. I don't want the dads and the brother-in-laws and the sons and all to be scared of me.
Oh.
You know, I also want to be liked. And you guys should fight your own battles. You're old enough now.
I can so relate to this. I'm sure everyone understands this over here.
Yeah, because you see,
I'm
when you
always the bad cop. Yeah.
it's not fair.
Yeah,
It's not fair
Yeah,
because
it isn't.
there's too much expectation that you
Yeah.
will come and fix it. So, yes, so very big part of my personality is I am Miss Fix It.
Yeah.
तो जब अब वो लोग कहते हैं, oh you're so tough and you're so this, I'm like, but you put me in that role. I didn't choose to be here. You are the one who came running. Oh, I have a problem. Help, and I became Miss Fix It for you. So
And then they
I
don't
kind of,
fix it themselves. They don't learn.
They don't
because
want
there's
to.
always someone
yeah,
to go to.
they don't want to because they don't
Yeah.
need to.
Yeah.
So you have to change that.
Yeah.
Also एक तो मैनेज एक्सपेक्टेशन वाली बात आ जाती है. दूसरा ये कि उनको भी तो ऐसे ना आप वो यूजलेस बना दें ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात है. अच्छा ओके सो ये खत्म. अच्छा व्हाट अबाउट द एजुकेशन? तो बीच में ही रहेगी.
So I went to Jesus and Mary. I was a high school dropout. Then I went back. I studied throughout. I went and I did a lot of studying in the UK, US, after marriage, after kids. I had to continue at some point. My kids would go to school. I would go to school. Then I went to film school. I was in New York. I studied film.
Yeah, I read
you know, so I did so much later. But I caught up. It was very tough. It was very difficult.
Yeah.
And I would always recommend to anyone watching, please complete your education while you're single without any responsibility, because I had to complete everything later. It was very hard. It was really, but I did it because I did it for myself.
Right.
I didn't need it for this business. I didn't need it for a career. I did it because I wanted to feel complete.
Right. So now जब आपका career start हुआ Sitara Mehronis, I still remember that because obviously I was around at that time. And also you did the first movie. I still remember that.
We went together
Oh, I get
to Lahore. We were on the flight together, all of us.
I know, I was like
There was Saqib, you,
Yes.
all of us,
And-
Tapu.
And I was like,
Fifi.
हाँ मैं कहा she's doing a
Oh, sorry, this is our third interview.
third interview.
Yes, because you actually interviewed me on the red carpet of that movie also in Lahore.
Oh my god.
I have that picture as well. There we go.
अच्छा वो भी वही होगा फिर. So वो film I remember, and also being you were one of the Lux girls.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And that was a big deal too, because obviously up to everybody wants to be the. I mean, at least I don't know.
That's a
That was
benchmark.
the benchmark.
Yeah.
Okay, हाँ जी.
Yeah.
कि अगर ऐड करना है जैसे कि L'Oreal अब obviously बीच में आ गए. I mean I take these brands name but I don't have a problem. But that was the ultimate.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Because it was the ultimate ad as well. I remember.
It's a Lux star, you know. You
Yeah,
have
the
to
star.
be, yeah.
Because it's all about stars
Yeah,
and
yeah.
glamour. So वो भी मुझे याद है. अब उससे पहले मैंने क्या कहते हैं कहाँ थी मैं? हाँ. So
Movie, first
जो
movie.
इसमें भी no problem with the family saying, because अतीका उस ज़माने में मैंने जब मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी तो वो सब कहते थे अच्छे ख़ानदान की लड़कियाँ ही. तो मुझे बहुत बुरी बात लगती है कि अगर आप गरीब ख़ानदान के तो आप अच्छे ख़ानदान के नहीं हैं.
terrible.
गलत बात है, ये नहीं करनी चाहिए. लेकिन कहते थे उस ज़माने में कि आप अगर अच्छे ख़ानदान के हैं, पढ़े लिखे ख़ानदान के हैं, तो आप मीडिया में आएंगे नहीं, पहली बात, ठीक है ना. तो उस वक्त ऑब्वियसली वी वर ब्रेकिंग ऑल दीज रूल्स, आई वाज ब्रेकिंग द रूल्स, मरीना वाज ब्रेकिंग द रूल्स, आई वाज इन अ प्ले विद मरीना, वी ऑल वांटेड टू डू these, because there was this whole magic around doing a Hasina Moin play, and there was all this magic, or Anwar Maqsood saab. So ye barrier kaise toda, ya mujhe lagta hai कि you were just bulldozing. You were your captain of your own ship at that time.
So when I went through the divorce, I had 2 children already. I had to have a source of income. So anytime somebody came to lecture me, nahi, girls from our backgrounds don't go into television and film, I said, then pay my bills. It's very simple. I have children, they have bills, I have bills, you pay my bills. The lecturing is very easy. Majority of the aunties would say, beta ek aur shaadi kar lo. और अमीर आदमी ढूंढ के ना, अच्छे खानदान के अमीर आदमी से शादी कर लो. मैंने कहा एक अमीर आदमी से तो की थी शादी मैंने, मैं 2 बच्चों के बाद घर आ गई हूँ, तो अब एक और करूंगी तो फिर वो क्या, मेरा और बच्चों के साथ घर आऊंगी.
ख्याल रख रहा था बच्चों का.
नहीं, I mean that's all, I don't talk about that at all because he is the father of my children.
So now basically you wanted to be independent.
I wanted to be independent. I was worried for myself, my kids. I wanted my children never to suffer like I was suffering. I had suffered. Also एक वो भी था बड़ा के मैं एक अडल्ट हूँ, मैं अपने माँ बाप से कुछ नहीं मांग सकती ना. एक अक्कड़, वो एक होता है ना यूथ का, एक जवानी का आपका एक वो अक्कड़ होती है. तो मैंने तो फैसला कर लिया था कि मैं किसी से कोई मदद नहीं मांगूंगी. एंड एक टाइम आया, मैंने एक लिप्टन का कमर्शियल किया. अनवर साहब ने देखा, अनवर साहब न्यू माई फैमिली, उन्होंने रब्ता किया, मैंने सितारा. अच्छा, मुझे शौक तो बहुत था फिल्म टीवी का. आई ग्रू अप वॉचिंग, माई नानी यूज्ड टू टेक मी टू ड्राइव इन सिनेमा एंड आई यूज्ड टू वॉक नदीम साहब एंड शबनम साहिबा, एंड आई मीन आई लव्ड सिनेमा, वो स्पेशली पाकिस्तानी सिनेमा. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हुई, मैंने कहा मैं तो ये काम करना चाह रही हूँ. मेहनत बहुत की, बहुत कम पैसा मिलता था उस ज़माने में, लेकिन शौक़ बहुत था. पहली रीडिंग में अनवर साहब सर खुजा के घर कमरे से बाहर चले गए कि इसको तो उर्दू नहीं आती, क्योंकि एक जुल्म हमारे माँ बाप ये करते ना कि हमें वो अंग्रेज़ी मीडियम स्कूल्स में जब डालते हैं,
डाल देते.
हाँ, तो उसमें ये होता है कि एक दिन हफ्ते में आपको उर्दू की क्लास होती है आपकी, तो हमने रहना इधर है. मैं सबको कहती हूँ कि आपने इधर रहना, इधर काम करना, आप अपनी उर्दू ठीक कर लें. तो it took me a long time to kind of start thinking in Urdu, because हम सोचते ही थे अंग्रेजी में ना.
सही बात है.
तो फिर मैंने कहा कि ये काम आ रहा है और मैं करूँगी. और उस वक्त मैंने ये किया कि मैंने मेरे लिप्टन का मैंने कमर्शियल किया, मुझे कुछ पैसे मिले. पहले तो मैं सोचा मैं इंडिया जाके फिल्म करूँगी.
बॉलीवुड का भी.
सो मैं गई एंड मैंने एक टिकट ख़रीदा, होटल किया, वहाँ गई, दोस्तियाँ बहुत बन गई मेरी. मेरी बॉम्बे फैमिली है, द खान्स, ज़रीन एंड अब्बास साहब एंड ज़रीन खान, फरा द डॉटर, वेरी फ्रेंडली.
आई सॉ द पिक्चर्स यस्टरडे, वी वेंट, तुम्हारे घर आए थे ना हम लोग.
हाँ ना,
डिनर तुमने किया था. They were over.
बिल्कुल, उनको फिर मैं पाकिस्तान लेके आई. Yes, and Farah and I are very very close and friendly and बहुत पुरानी, and they are my Bombay family. They are my Bombay family. So वहाँ गई, वहाँ पे बड़ा उन्होंने मुझे पाला and made a lot of friends in India. But then I decided if I'm going to work, I'm going to work in Pakistan. So I came back. I got offers, very good offers, but I didn't, I was young and I very emotionally unstable. I didn't know what was happening. I was going through divorce. I didn't know what will happen to my children. तो मैं कहा मैं घर जाना चाहती हूँ. तो मैं वापस आके मैंने काम शुरू किया. अल्लाह मियाँ ने, आई थिंक एक होता है ना, वो मैंने बात की किस्मत की. पहले दिन से God had decided that okay, I'm going to give you a break here. तो सितारा में उन्होंने शूट किया, ऑन एयर नहीं आया हुआ था. मैं गवादर चली गई 10 शूट करने, ऑन एयर सितारा मेहरुनिसा आ गया. I was in the boonies in Gwadar somewhere, nobody knew where I was. Sitara Mehrunisa had started. I became like this big Sitara, all the papers. I had no idea. There was not even a phone in Gwadar in those days, right? Weeks later, a PIA pilot came with a thaddi of newspapers and found me in Gwadar with the crew and said, "आप किधर हैं?" तो मैंने कहा जी मैं तो इधर ही. कहते आपको अंदाज़ा नहीं आपने किया क्या है. He dumped this thaddi of newspapers with me all on the front pages.
Wow.
And said, the world is looking for you, where are you?
Wow.
So I had no idea what had happened, and Anwar Saab said to me कि ये पता है ये जब चलेगा ना तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में तब्दीली आ जाएगी. तो मैं कहा पता नहीं क्या कह रहे हैं अनवर साहब, बोलते रहते हैं ऐसे ही, तंग कर रहे हैं मुझे. But he was right. So when I came back from Gwadar, I'll never forget, because it still causes so much anxiety when I arrive in Karachi airport. Numan Ijaz and Ayub Khoso came with me back to Karachi. And I land at Karachi airport, standing at the belt, and I have people staring away at me, and I'm like, आदत नहीं है ना आपको घबराहट. मैंने कहा मुझे लोग ऐसे घूर क्यों रहे, मैंने कुछ कर दिया है, कुछ मसला है. तो नुमान एंड अयूब बाय देन वर गिगलिंग अवे. दे न्यू ना, उनको तो पता था, वो तो मीडिया के थे. फिर जब मैं अच्छा बाहर एक खबर फैल गई थी कि सितारा आ गई है, तो वो एक मॉब आ गया कराची एयरपोर्ट. उस जमाने में जब सेल फोन नहीं होते थे, नहीं था. we exit the airport door, and there's a mob of people in front of me, and they just, वो एक बैरियर लगता है ना, पहले बैरियर धक्का मारा उन्होंने, फिर वो खुद आए. नुमान ने एक बगल से उठाया, अयूब ने दूसरे, और ऐसे उठाया मुझे. And there was lathi charge, there was police, everything happened in that, and I still don't know how I got to the car. They carried me to the car, put me in the car. A car shook like this. My sister Leila was there driving. She just drove through people. I still, when I arrived in Karachi airport, I looked down. I looked like, because that the panic anxiety I went through that day. But that's when stardom hit me. That was the first day of my life, which I'll never forget. That I realized, oh,
wow,
what just happened.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद और चैलेंजेस थे. जैसे लोगों को ये अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं ना, चलो हमें तो स्टारडम, हमने ये पंगा खुद लिया, राइट. हमें बच्चों ने तो नहीं लिया है पंगा. सो दे स्टॉप गोइंग आउट विद मी पब्लिकली कि नहीं, हम आपके साथ बाहर नहीं जाएंगे कहीं भी, क्योंकि जहाँ जाते हैं लोग तंग करते हैं. सो माई चिल्ड्रन एंड आई, वी वेंट थ्रू अ मेजर लॉस दैट वे. वी कुडंट हैव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एनी मोर. इट वाज ऑल वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
स्टार्स के साथ होता है बहुत ज़्यादा.
इनफैक्ट छोटी मेरी ज़रमीन इतनी सी थी, और हम एक पीडियाट्रिशियन के दफ्तर में बैठे हुए थे. उसकी चेकअप था, और एक खातून सामने बैठी, मुझे घूर रही है. इतनी सी ज़रमीन, छोटी ना बेबी. शी गोज अप एंड स्पिट्स एट हर.
Oh my God!
I was like, what have you done, Zarmeen? She's like, Mama, why is she staring at us? I'm like, don't you dare. I gave उसकी, मैंने ऐसे मैं कहा खबरदार आइंदा कभी भी किया ऐसे बेटा, बिकॉज तुम्हारी माँ के ये फ़ैन मोहब्बत करते हैं मुझसे. But as a little child, she doesn't know ना. For her it's like, why is she staring at my mother?
But it's also like wrong to stare at people.
No, it is and it isn't. I guess देखो, we've all had
starstruck.
We've all had our celebrity crushes, you know.
Totally.
I think I'm blessed that I to date have people staring. I mean, अभी भी वो भी बहुत बड़ी blessing होती है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
True that. Okay, wow, these are interesting things.
Yeah.
So Mehrun Nisa happened, then Dasht happened.
Then Nijat happened.
So
I did two very glamorous roles, and then I did a very unglamorous sort of role with Saira Kazmi as director, which is fantastic.
Good.
And Numan and I were cast as a Gharib Gharane ke Miyan Biwi, and it was a huge hit. I'm actually, you know what?
PTV was great.
I am a very blessed woman. Let me tell you. To date, it's been 35 years I've been in this business. To date, I have hits, like unbelievable hits. वो कहते हैं कि in the life of a actor, अगर एक दो आपके हो जाए ना, you're lucky. मेरे तो आप एक list निकाल सकते हैं. तो कुछ तो, I think God has kind of looked out for me.
God has looked out for you, of course. I mean, the life के अंदर knocks आएंगे, फिर उसके बाद drops आएंगे, फिर uplift भी होता है. But tell me now that did you leave all of this when you married Javed?
No. So then a few years after the divorce, I was now at my peak, you know. In fact, मेरी पहली फिल्म का जब प्रीमियर हुआ था, did you go to it? मैडम नूरजहां भी गई, सब गए, मेरी वालदा सब. 1994-5 मैं, so I had married and moved to New York. मैं न्यूयॉर्क में कपड़े इस्त्री कर रही थी ऐसे. मुझे सजाद गुल का फोन आता है, मिस ओडो, यू हैव नो क्राइंग, यू हैव नो आइडिया, एवरीवन's here, the premiere, where are you? And I thought, if Sajad only knew I was sitting here watching a soap, ironing my husband's shirts, he'd kill me.
I still remember that.
So I don't know, I think my priority has always really been family life.
Yeah, you like being married.
I like having a family. I like having family. I want to have a marriage, children, grandchildren. I think it comes from my initial craving as a child from the broken home. I don't like being on my own. I don't like not having a home. I'm a very strong person, but I'm not that independent minded. I have emotional needs that need to be fulfilled, you know.
And with someone you.
So then, of course, Javed and I were married for 16 years. We have Zarmeen.
Acha, that long? I
Yes,
didn't
yes,
realize
yes.
itni
Yeah,
der thi.
16 years. And then, of
Yeah.
course, we also drifted
Yeah.
and went our own way.
Yeah.
A very civilized relationship.
Yeah.
And we share a daughter, and we have great partnership over Zarmeen. So
Hmm.
she can't get away with anything. Mom and dad are like on, they know what's
How old
happening.
is she now?
Zarmeen is 26 now.
Wow.
Mashallah. Yeah,
Oh,
she's a
kahan
woman. She's in New York.
Oh, she is
Yeah,
in
she's in New York,
Wow,
yeah.
fantastic.
So then we drifted. Then a few years later, then Summer and I knew each other as family friends.
You asked him to marry you.
Yeah, so
I love that.
yeah,
Girls, are you
yeah.
listening? You can do this. क्या उल्टा आप
Of
अच्छी
course,
अच्छी बात नहीं
of course.
है वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में तो ये होता है Ratika Ordo is breaking the norm
Yeah.
in Pakistan.
Why
I love
not?
it.
Why
I
not?
love it.
In fact, it was my son Bilal
Huh.
who said to me,
Yeah.
he sat me down one day. I said, Ammi, you've been through so much and you've been on your own so long.
Yeah.
And this guy is a good guy.
Hmm.
And we know him, we like him, he obviously is interested.
Hmm.
And I think you should marry him.
Hmm.
So I looked at Bilal and I thought, okay. I said, Bilal, you have these two sisters who are really very emotionally complicated women. They'll never like this at all. He's like, no, I'll handle the sisters. Ammi, you just decide.
Sweet.
He's a very good boy.
But looking out for you also.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, that way, again, a big blessing. My children have always been a big support. They have been there.
Kids can be sometimes very, depends on how old and mature he was. He was mature by then.
Yeah. Well, he was a young man,
Huh.
but he had seen me go through my challenges.
Yeah.
So there was sympathy.
Yeah.
एंड मैंने अपने बच्चों को ना सेट्स पे पाला है. जब मैं सितारा, मेनूसा, निजात, कोई भी मेरे बच्चे सेट पे, मेरे दोस्त नुमान, आई हैव पिक्चर्स ऑफ हिम विद बिलाल ऑन हिज कंधों पे घुमा रहा है बिलाल को. एंड तो नुमान चाचा, मरीना खाला, दीज ऑल फैमिली टू माय चिल्ड्रन.
कॉन्फिडेंस भी आता है ना बच्चों के अंदर. मैंने भी ऐसे किया. सिंगल पैर को करना ही पड़ता है.
या एंड नहीं, आपके बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए कि आप किधर हैं और आप क्या कर रहे हैं, और आप घर जब आते हैं आप थक टूट के कहाँ से आते हैं.
और काम की इज्जत पड़ती है.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल.
काम में इज्जत आती है. सॉरी अबाउट दैट डिस्ट्रैक्शन.
हाँ.
Except that my son told me one day when he was a child, if you get married to anybody, I'll kill him. I think they're so scared when they're young, they think that they need to have that, they're scared.
How old was he?
I think he was young, 8, 7, 8, maybe 8 years old.
Bilal was about 7 when I married Javed. And I'll never forget, while our nikah was going on, he was locked in the bathroom.
Scared.
And then we had to bring him out.
Scared.
But then once he came out, he said, okay, yaar, whatever. Then he said, Javed uncle, can you and I go fishing together? He had this thing about fishing. I don't know what it was. So my children are very good children. They've actually endured and dealt with a lot and been very, very supportive and understanding. I've not had the easiest of lives, but luckily I've had a lot of family support. My mother, my sisters. We're a very tight family that way. We have our problems, लड़ाइयाँ वो चलती रहती हैं, but when there's a problem, we're there, which is nice.
Okay, so then all this while there's all this going on. अच्छा, इसके अलावा जो activism, okay, there's always controversies that follow us around a little bit also, मुझे तो ये अभी याद है, तुम्हारे इनके रिसर्च में तो नहीं था, but I remember you suing, I'm not going to take the name, you sued a multinational. I still remember that made headlines.
Yeah.
And I was like, this woman has the guts to do this? Because I remember hearing from them कि इसको हम ban कर देते हैं. She is blacklisted. Okay? I'm just giving you the other side of it.
Sure.
The guts कहाँ से गए to do something
देखो,
like that?
I'll tell you honestly speaking, whether it was my personal or my professional life.
Yeah.
If I'm working hard and I'm being honest and I'm dedicated and I'm giving you blood, sweat and tears, I just want respect. चाहे वो marriage में हो, चाहे वो multinational से हो, मैं सिर्फ मुझे इज्जत चाहिए. और मेरे फैंस से इज्जत चाहिए, बच्चों से चाहिए, हम सबको. बाकी चीज़ें सेकेंडरी हो जाती हैं.
और ये कितने साल पुरानी, 25 साल हो गए इस बात.
हाँ,
ज़्यादा.
नहीं ये तो आप 93-94 की बात कर रहे हो.
तो वो 30 साल हो गए.
Yeah.
तो इस वक्त तो कोई इस तरह कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था.
So देखिए, I had a full-fledged contract that was very clear on its clauses. They were defaulting. So I sent them, I reached out to the, first I reached out to the agency very nicely. The agency, nothing, didn't respond.
Right.
Then I sent them a letter. Then I got a very nasty reply.
Oh.
That upset me.
Yeah.
The nasty response upset me. They could have sat me down on a table and said, let's talk about it. It was the disrespect. It wasn't about the money. It wasn't about the default. It was about the disrespect. And I said, okay, you know what? And I was young. I was divorced. I had children. I had no other source of income. But I was there was a lot of pride. I said, I will survive. I've survived and I will survive. People can't disrespect me.
Yeah.
So I went to my lawyer and I said, look, this is the thing. He said, we'll write them a couple of notes. I said, write note. उनको भी अजीब जवाब आए वापस. मैं कहा चलें जी अब केस करते हैं. Because ये नहीं यार, मेरा मतलब है कि फ़ायदा क्या था? एक तरफ कहते हैं आपकी शक्ल की वजह से हम सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं. दूसरी तरफ कोई इज्जत नहीं है. So I won that case in 2 hearings. The first hearing was about a date being set, and the second date the judge passed an order.
No, but bravo. I mean, people get bullied, right? We talk about
Of course.
this. People get bullied by these awful responses, and I mean, I've been through it, so I know. I've worked with clients, and mashallah, it's been great. But then we know the problems that we face. Act. Everybody is Atika's thing. We will talk about it very soon because it's very important for the young generation to know about it. लेकिन ये कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो आपका right है आप लो, और आपसे बड़ा कोई हो या आपसे अमीर हो या कोई भी हो, you do not have to be scared कि जी आपको वो बुलडोज कर देंगे और आपके ऊपर I thought that was very brave of you. And
so what was the result? I won a case, but it went around in the law journals of this country.
Yes.
And the judge said while he was passing judgment that I had to take the weekend off to read everything because ऐसा केस कभी आया नहीं हमारे अदालतों में.
वही ना, किसी ने किसी
को मल्टीनेशनल और सेलिब्रिटी के बीच में ऐसी बात ही नहीं हुई है कभी. उसके बाद फिर मल्टीनेशनल्स और कंपनीज ने भी सोचा कि हम लोगों को ऐसे फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं ले सकते. आपको भी फोन आया, बाकी जितनी अदाकारें थे सबके उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ठीक किया उसके बाद. तो it was about fix this.
मैंने पहली एजेंसी जो स्टार्ट की उसी साल की थी बिकॉज मुझे कहा गया उस केस के बाद कि प्रॉपर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होने चाहिए. सो आई वेंट नॉट जस्ट टू द सेलिब्रिटी, टू द मॉडल, बट टू द एजेंसी and said, what are your problems? I went to the celebrity and said, what are your problems? How can we fix this? How can we come to one? ताकि एक sided ना हो ना.
So that's what I'm saying. So it helped change the environment.
Exactly.
So I think that was a greater achievement for me rather than winning a case. अच्छा, आप जब बैन की बात करते हैं, वही जो है वही मल्टीनेशनल ने फिर कुछ साल बाद मुझे कहा कि आप हमारा पहला शो होस्ट कर लें. इनफैक्ट मुझे एजेंसी से भी ये कॉल आई थी कि ये मत करें, काम बहुत कम मिलता है आपका. वो मैंने कहा देखिए मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में झाड़ू मारने के लिए तैयार हूँ अगर मुझे वहाँ इज़्ज़त मिलती है. उसमें भी प्राइड एंड लेबर का मुझे कोई मसला नहीं है. जहाँ मुझे इज़्ज़त मिलेगी मैं वहाँ पे टाकी पोछा झाड़ू सब कुछ करूँगी. ये नहीं होने दूँगी, चाहे वो हस्बैंड हो चाहे मल्टीनेशनल हो, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी क्लियर अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट.
ये कितनी सही बात आप कर रही हैं जो कि सबको पता होना चाहिए इस चीज़ के बारे में कि इज्जत से बड़ी चीज कोई नहीं
और कुछ नहीं होता. बाकी सब सेकेंडरी है. लव, रोमांस, पैसा सब सेकेंडरी. इज्जत आपकी, क्योंकि देखिए आप जब चले जाते हैं इस दुनिया से तो आपका एक नाम ही याद रहता है लोगों को. उनको नहीं पता कि आपका घर क्या था, आपने सोना कितना पहना हुआ था, वो सब बकवास होता है. इज्जत या you are either respected or not. That's all that it matters. And then that affects your family, your children, your grandchildren. So I have tried really hard. I'm not saying I have a great stellar reputation. वो होता है, we all have problems. But I have tried really hard to maintain a lot of dignity, civility and respect wherever I could possibly.
I want to ask you something. कि जब धचके लटके, what do you go through? I mean, come on, we're human, right?
Yeah.
I'm also a very strong woman.
Oh, pain, like everybody.
Yeah.
Pain, but anger.
Anger, okay.
And solution. Because, again, at a very young age, I realized that I'm going to have to solve this myself. Because that comes again from the whole broken home thing, that you feel very displaced. You feel like, nee, I have to, like... In fact, a lot of it catches up also. Like, at this stage of my life, it's catching up where I'm like, okay, I need to let go of the trust issues. I need to let go of the control issues. You know.
Did you go for therapy?
Yes. I actually, so I went through COVID twice.
Achha.
So I developed a lot of health anxiety after that. So I have started.
बुरा था COVID?
No, easy. But कि यार
पता नहीं है ना कल को मेरे साथ भी ये बात. I think कोविड पे जब सब I think it's just
No,
generally
just 2 years of that.
Yes.
People
कुछ
go.
भी हो सकता है.
It's impacted everybody.
Yes.
So I started therapy, and in therapy, it's not just about health anxiety.
Yeah.
It's also about your inner child, your inner adult, your youth, your.
Yeah.
So a lot of things I'm working on now, which because एक time मिल रहा है, बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं,
हाँ.
और अभी जरा, you know, I have time for me. I now realize कि यार ये वो वक्त है जब मैं अपने आप में इन्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ, कि बाकी तो सारी जिम्मेदारियाँ मैंने पूरी कर दी हैं. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, थेरेपी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर वट एवर रीज़न. बिकॉज देखें, आपका और एक थेरेपिस्ट का जो रिश्ता होता है वो एक बहुत ही एक प्रोफेशनल और अनबायस्ड रिश्ता होता है. आप अपने वालिदैन के पास जाएं, अपने मियाँ के पास जाएं, बच्चों में जाएं, तो एक उसमें एक इमोशन इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है. बट व्हेन यू गो टू प्रोफेशनल, दे हैव द टूल्स, दे टेल यू, दे नो हाउ टू नेविगेट.
नहीं मालूम.
हाँ, वो आपको नेविगेट करने की हेल्प करते हैं. अच्छा, यहाँ पे अब जैसे आपको पता है फ्रिया, बहुत साल मैं काम किया ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस पे. तो एक टैबू तोड़ा हमने कि जी आप बात करें, जी छाती का कैंसर बात करें, वो तोड़ दिया. अब हमारी एक जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि मेंटल हेल्थ का हम टैबू तोड़ें.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि मेंटल हेल्थ की बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं सोसाइटी में. एंग्जाइटी है, डिप्रेशन है, इतना कुछ हो रहा है अभी, स्पेशली पोस्ट कोविड दुनिया में. तो वी नीड टू ब्रेक दोस टैबूज फॉर श्योर.
आई थिंक ऑल्सो सोशल मीडिया की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बारे में सबको पता चल रहा है, राइट?
या
अभी एक वॉर चल रही है, which is terrifying.
Yeah.
It's terrifying, it's horrific.
Terrible.
It makes you go to sleep every day, you feel sick, and you know, you have to...
It has an emotional impact on everybody.
And everything, right? So you have to understand कि, और लोगों को ये अभी भी बात समझ नहीं आती कि इसमें कोई जो डिप्रेशन है वो तो मेरे ख्याल में 60 to 70% दुनिया में हर एक होता है. At some point हर इंसान को कहीं ना कहीं जाके डिप्रेशन होगा. और हमारे ज़माने में तो, हमारे तो खैर ज़माना ही अलग था, ना पैनिक अटैक का पता था, ना एंजाइटी का पता. वही तो जस्ट डेल्ट विद इट.
और अब ज़्यादा इसलिए बढ़ गया बिकॉज आप फोन पे ना ये चीज़ें जो देख रहे हैं, बार बार घबराहट बढ़ जाती है.
वो भी
हर किस्म का, कोई मर गया है, कोई सुसाइड हो गया, कुछ. सो that navigating through those social media sites is not helpful at all. And they kind of impact you emotionally.
That's right. So I think ये बहुत ज़रूरी बात है. और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की भी जब आपने बात की है, वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है ना. 12% कहते हैं. 12% तो बहुत है. That's like
we have the highest incident in Asia.
Yeah, in Asia.
And the fourth highest in the world today.
Fourth highest in the world. इसलिए कि हम इसको एक टैबू समझते हैं. हम छाती की बात ही नहीं कर सकते.
लेकिन शुक्र है ये है कि अब ये बहुत, हमने ये दरवाज़ा बहुत खोल दिया है. और हर चीज़ अक्टूबर में आपको पता है, प्रेसिडेंसी, कायद मज़ार सब पिंक हो जाता है. तो हमने वो टैबू, अब लोग बात करते हैं. जब तक आप बात नहीं करेंगे, आप किसी चीज़ को ठीक नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टू talk about things to make a relevant difference. And it's a very, just talking about is therapeutic. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, it helps. कि यार I'm reaching out. अच्छा, थेरेपी का ये होता है कि अब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आप समझ रही हो, आप मुझसे बात करोगे. ये भी एक फॉर्म ऑफ थेरेपी होती है कि आप फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों के साथ आप हल्का होते हैं, आपके अंदर से सारा एक टॉक्सिन निकल जाता है ना सारा. तो ये चीज़ें ज़रूरी होती हैं. कम्युनिकेशन इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट.
मगर हमारे कल्चर में इस चीज़ को रोका जाता है.
बट मैं आपको एक बात बताऊँ, आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू.
बताओ.
ये हमारा कल्चर का जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है, हमारे ब्रेन में है. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में डिवोर्स भी सर्वाइव किया, फिल्म्स में गई, वहाँ पे भी एक्सेप्ट हो गया. आई मीन, आई फील दिस इज़ अ फैबुलस कंट्री बिकॉज आई हैव डन सो मेनी ऑफ द track sort of things in my life, whether it was personal or professional. Breast cancer awareness भी लोगों ने accept कर लिया. आप इस मुल्क में कोशिश करें ना, लोग आपका साथ देते हैं. It's actually a very tolerant society. We are underestimating it. जैसे हम अपनी audience को underestimate करते हैं. मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट आती है ना, तो मैं कहती हूँ ये हम audience को इतना क्यों, why are we talking down to the audience? What is this? हमारी audience बहुत समझदार है. और हमारी तो एक जिम्मेदार बनती है कि हम और भी अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करते हैं.
राइट.
सो आई थिंक वी नीड टू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट आवर सोसाइटी डिफरेंटली. बिकॉज आपको मैं एक बात बताऊं, आप ये जो अपर लॉट सोसाइटी है ना, स्नूटी सोसाइटी, इन विच यू एंड आई वर बोर्न इन, एक्चुअली वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं.
आई एग्री.
आप वर्किंग क्लास में चले जाएं, आप मिडिल क्लास में चले जाएं, आप रेगुलर लोगों के जिंदगियों में चले, दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट, वेरी टॉलरेंट, वेरी एक्सेप्टिंग. और मेरी ज़िंदगी में मेरा जो एक एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वो ये रहा है कि मैं जब काम पे निकली, वहाँ पे एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी, प्यार, मोहब्बत, इज़्ज़त मुझे ज़्यादा मिली. मुझे ये
You're
जो
right.
अपर क्लास स्नूटी लॉट है ना, वो सिर्फ उस वक्त आए जब मैं सक्सेसफुल हो गई थी,
जब आपके पास पैसा आ जाता है,
या शोहरत.
जब शोहरत आ जाती है, जब बाहर के मुल्क से लोग आपको वाह वाह करते हैं, तभी वो लोग उठ के आते हैं.
अभी आपको पता है,
और ये
आपके मेरे सारे
educated लोग हैं. मुझे हैरत होती है कि भाई कहाँ की एजुकेशन है ये.
भाई वही लोग जो मुझे कहते थे व्हाट आर यू डूइंग
Yeah, what are you
फिल्म्स,
doing?
वो सच आज ड्रामा देख रहे हैं बैठ के.
Sorry.
All those men and women are watching our
Oh,
plays
we know
today.
Atika.
Yeah.
She's our friend.
So
I
it's
went
all
to school with
changed.
her.
So I think
Yeah.
if you get out of this bubble that we were born in, studied in,
Yeah.
Jesus and Mary, grammar
Yeah.
school, you know, this is a bubble.
I
It's
agree.
an upper elitist bubble.
I'm 100% with you. Yeah.
And I came out into the real world when I hit Urdu drama. जब मैंने उर्दू ड्रामा के मुझे यार दुनिया तो ये है. एंड आपको मैं एक बात बताऊं, जब मैंने टीवी से फिल्म में ट्रांजिशन की, तो सबने यही कहा ना, ओ यू नो दिस इज टेरिबल, कैसे लोग, यू नो, द अमाउंट ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री गेव मी. आई एम वेरी लकी. आई हैव सीन द टाइम ऑफ जब रजिस्टर पकड़ के डबिंग होती थी, ठीक है ना, और आपके बिग स्क्रीन पे सारे स्प्लाइसर्स के साथ वो डबिंग होती थी, और अब मैंने देखा जब machines पे हो रही है. I've seen both transitions, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my god, I'm so blessed. I saw our industry in the 90s
Yeah.
when it was old school,
Yeah.
and today we have the nerve to say we are reviving it. पहले आपने गला घोंटा, पहले आपने उसको स्ट्रैंगुलेट किया,
वो तो ज़्यादा
मारा,
के ज़माने में
नहीं उसके बाद भी देखिए आपके मुल्क में आप स्टेट ने कब सपोर्ट किया है फिल्म, अभी भी आज भी आप बैंक्स के पास जाएं, बैंक एक्टर को भी कहता है आप अकाउंट नहीं खोल सकते.
क्यों?
We are writing because they are not in that framework of what is acceptable as a professional. We are writing to the State Bank now.
Are you kidding?
Yes. Even today, the banks have a problem giving an actor account because they feel the actors are, I don't know,
Redundant.
unreliable, or they're not professionals. We're taxpayers. We make good money. We pay our taxes. We are part of society. We are part of the business cycle.
Part of image of the country.
So,
Yes.
मैं आपको यही समझा रही हूँ कि आपके स्टेट में आपको कहाँ पे आपको सपोर्ट मिली. आप कहीं भी चले जाएं, बैंक्स गेट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन लोनिंग मनी टू मेक फिल्म बिकॉज फिल्म इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ कंट्रीज मार्केटिंग. लुक एट अदर इवॉल्व्ड कंट्रीज.
Right.
They've used cinema as their PR
Exactly.
tool, right? तो हम तो ये देख ही नहीं रहे, हम तो देख रहे हैं ओ जी ये तो बस वो हैं मरासी हैं और ये हैं, वो एटीट्यूड है ना.
And words also.
So we need to basically change that mindset.
Narrative.
That, and it is our responsibility, nobody else's.
Yes, I agree with you. So I also agree with you on all of this. It's wonderful. I think
because you and I are the same
Yes,
generation, and we've
yeah.
seen the same
Yeah.
struggles. We've seen
Yes.
it when we used to do the catwalks in
Yes.
the 80s,
Yes.
and we're seeing it today.
Yes.
So you and I can totally relate to
Yeah.
where we've been and where we're going,
Yeah.
you know.
And the struggle as well.
Yeah.
And the activism and the anger.
And
that
also
comes
being
with it.
single moms and all. I
Yeah.
mean, you know, bringing up children in this
Exactly.
environment.
Yeah.
And, you know the challenges.
बिल्कुल. So now tell me, let's talk about because you're very patriotic. अभी कितनी अच्छी बात की है कि पाकिस्तान tolerant है, ये है, वो है. But I feel that Pakistan इतना is a tolerance, maybe it's frustration that drives us to do certain things in our society that are not so cool, you know.
नहीं कहाँ नहीं होता फ्रिया, दुनिया में है.
I know that.
दुनिया में प्रॉब्लम्स
I
हैं.
agree with you.
लेकिन हमारे मुल्क में हम बैठ के जब अपनी बेइज्जती करते रहते हैं, ये नाइंसाफी है. मैं नहीं कहती वी आर ट्रबल फ्री. ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव प्रॉब्लम्स, बट व्हिच कंट्री डजंट हैव प्रॉब्लम्स? प्लीज, एवरीबडी हैज सम इशू. मेरा मतलब है कि वी मस्ट कंसिडर दैट वी एज अ सोसाइटी क्रिएट our social values. So I have always considered a social challenge as a blessing actually. You and I are very blessed that we were born and brought up in a country where we could contribute. And we are contributing in our own small way.
Right.
I went and lived in America. I had no purpose. बड़ा अच्छा था. I lived in Manhattan, beautiful, you know, place, lovely, systems चलते हैं सब कुछ. I had no purpose. मैंने कहा यार मैं यहाँ पे तो कुछ contribution ही नहीं है मेरी. Imran Aslam, our friend. When I was coming back, he took me out. I said I need to have a chat, Imran. मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही. तो मुझे याद है वो जियो का न्यूज़ सेटअप हो रहा था. ट्रेनिंग हो रही थी अवारी में,
हाँ.
इसे तुम आ जाओ नीचे हम लंच कर लेते हैं. तो मैं गई इमरान के साथ, मैंने बैठ के वहाँ नीचे अवारी रेस्टोरेंट में लंच किया. मैं कहा इमरान, आई एम गिविंग अप मैनहट्टन. ही सेड बिकॉज यू हैव नो सेंस ऑफ पर्पस देयर. ही वाज सो राइट. He was one of those friends who kind of always put it in perspective.
No, for me also.
Yeah.
He did that. He actually wrote the letter that I had to show to the lawyer. I mean, God bless him. Allah miyan unko
Yeah.
jannat. I mean, he इतने लोगों की मदद की, but patriot वो भी थे.
हाँ.
You know, just like you.
Yeah.
And Acha, so tell me about the political side of things. You wanted to be a politician for a while?
नहीं, I didn't want to see political aspiration. मेरी कभी नहीं थी. मेरा ये था कि basically I was a huge supporter of Musharraf Sahab.
Yeah.
From the time he actually took over, because I thought somebody has to come fix what's going on here. You know, एक तमाशा मचा हुआ है.
Yeah.
And in his time, we also, you know, this country do really, really well. बहुत चीजें हुई.
Yeah. I
But-
came back at that time. That's when I came.
Yeah, I
moved
also
back.
came back at that time. We
वही
एक
same
hope था ना, एक hope
2000
था.
के अंदर, हाँ.
Yeah. एंड तो जब मुशर्रफ साहब ने अपनी पार्टी शुरू की तो मैंने कहा कि मे आई हेल्प, बिकॉज मुझे आपको, बिकॉज आई थॉट दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड पर्सन हु हैज़ डन वेरी वेल व्हाइल ही वाज इन पावर. एंड वी तरक्की कितनी हुई इस मुल्क में ना, तो इसे बिल्कुल करें आप. एंड ऑल्सो आई वाज ऑन द CEC, आई हेल्प विद डिजिटल मीडिया, आई हेल्प सेट अप द एंटायर सोशल मीडिया एंड एवरीथिंग. And unfortunately, the party didn't go anywhere, but I tried to do my bit for somebody I felt was a good leader.
But they targeted you.
Yeah, but that's part of the package, right?
Yeah.
That's part of the package.
Yeah.
I mean, you know that when you go, if
Yeah.
you ना तो ना करें ना आप,
Yeah.
आपको पता है.
Yeah.
तो टारगेटेड, यस, एक दुश्मनियाँ बनी, मुझे बहुत मुश्किल वक्त से गुजरना पड़ा.
What did you feel? What was it? Were you scared for your children? क्या था उस वक्त?
Actually,
Were you still married at that time?
नहीं, पता है क्या, मैं बहुत ही अजीब, आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज वुमन दैट आई डोंट गेट फ्राइटन्ड इन सच बिग इश्यूज. Strange. I get frightened with small things. I don't want to hurt somebody. I don't want my children to get sick. I want these other things not to be, you know. I don't get frightened on these issues. I mean, of course, I was upset and angry.
You take action.
And again, I believe in my judicial system. ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. मुझे पता है, मुझे इन्हीं अदालतों में इंसाफ मिला हुआ है ज़िंदगी में. तो मैं इन्हीं अदालतों में खड़ी होंगी बिकॉज मैंने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया. तो मुझे 9 साल लगे. आप बात कर रही हैं सुमो मोटो केस की. 9 साल लगे. 17 magistrates and 270 hearings later, I got my acquittal.
Yeah.
But I went through the same system that I believe in. And I think people should exercise and use a system. You see, ये भी बड़ा मसला है कि जी हमने थाने नहीं जाना, हमने ये नहीं करना, हमने अदालतों में नहीं करना. तो ठीक कैसे होगा? आप जब उसको डॉज करेंगे, बाईपास करेंगे, 2 नंबरी काम करेंगे, अंडर द टेबल काम करेंगे, तो आपके सिस्टम्स तो करप्ट ही रहेंगे ना फिर. तो I held my ground. I did nothing wrong. I broke no law. And I said I will not be bullied.
Yeah.
You see, it's another form of bullying.
Bullying.
So luckily, by the time that case hit, I was very used to dealing with bullies.
Right.
And I recognized, and I said no.
So bravo.
And everybody said, oh, by the way, we will fight for you. I said, I don't need you people. यार मेरा नाम लिया गया. I will, अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है तो मैं फिर सज़ा होगी, मैं दाल चावल पे जिंदा रह सकती हूँ. लेकिन जब मैंने कोई कानून ही नहीं तोड़ा तो मैं डरूं क्यों फिर?
Very good, Adika. Now tell me about ACT. ACT के बारे में.
ACT is the Actors Association of Pakistan. And it's been around for a few years. And I think वो वक्त आ गया जब हम अपने आप को थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनाइज करें. I wouldn't call it a union, but it has a union type feeling in the sense that we want our actors to be protected, to be taken care of. We want actors to be dignified, to have dignity, to have respect. We want the state to recognize actors as working professionals. So we are registered with the government of Pakistan. And all these letters that I was talking about, writing to banks and all, we can do very officially because we are now a registered entity. तो उसमें ये था कि अगर किसी ने नहीं किया और कोई कर नहीं रहा तो आगे आके कौन आके करेगा? तो हमें करना
सब है एक्टर्स इसके अंदर.
बिल्कुल.
सारे
वेबसाइट पे जाएं. अच्छा. एक्ट पाकिस्तान पे जाएं. सारे नहीं हैं. बहुत सारे हैं. मेंबर्स हैं. और बहुत आ रहे हैं. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो हमने की है, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट, is as the first entertainment association of the country we have group health insurance for our members.
अरे वाह.
मैंने कहा पता है इतनी दुख होता है जब सुनते हैं कि जी हम वजीर आजम से पैसे मांगेंगे.
नहीं, जैसे मेहदी हसन और सबके साथ हुआ है,
तो मैंने कहा ये कितनी दुख की बात है. जब देखें, जब टेक्सटाइल वाले, शुगर वाले सारे अपने एसोसिएशंस बना सकते हैं और अपने हक के लिए लड़ सकते हैं, तो हम लोगों ने क्यों नहीं किया? So we are actually the first entertainment industry association that has group health insurance cover for a member, which means that they can go to private hospitals, get their treatments and everything.
Because ये सिर्फ actors के लिए है या directors, producers?
No, so directors have made their own. नहीं, so
अच्छा,
Screen Actors Guild अलग बन रहे हैं. हम प्रेडा पे भी काम कर रहे हैं. डायरेक्टर्स अलग कर रहे हैं. टेक्नीशियंस अभी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है. मैं बार बार कहती हूँ प्लीज़ आप लोग. अच्छा, हमने ये कहा क्योंकि मैंने बहुत साल पहले हमने यूपीए प्रोड्यूसर एसोसिएशन बनाया. वही जो था उसका जो बाय लॉज, उसका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वही मैंने सबको दिया कि दी आप इसको ट्वीक कर लें. डोंट री इन्वेंट, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, जस्ट पुट इन व्हाट यू नीड. द पेपर वर्क इज देयर. जस्ट इवन प्रेडा, we sent to Preda the UPA constitution to tweak. Okay, just work on this and don't waste the time and the energy while people are dying or sick, or just let's organize ourselves. And आते हैं challenges, आते हैं, हर रोज सुनने को मिलता है, oh पता है what is ACT doing, what is Preda doing, what is, like, oh my god, what are you doing?
Yeah, exactly.
What are you doing?
Don't complain. Just
become part of the process. I am so proud to say that in the last 2-3 years since we've had the insurance going, we've had members adopt other members who can't afford. कि जी हम आपको डबल ट्रिपल भेज रहे हैं, किसी को दे दे वेलफेयर में जो जिसको ज़रूरत है और आउट ऑफ वर्क हैं, बीमार हैं. तो कम्युनिटी सेंटिमेंट जब तक आप नहीं जगाएंगे और एक साथ नहीं होंगे तो आपके हक और हुकूक कहाँ से मिलेंगे आपको?
नहीं मिलेंगे. हाँ, सही बात.
तो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन के लिए तो आप बिल्कुल ही
ओपन छोड़
एक्सपोज्ड है ना
आपको. हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बात है. Okay, so we've talked about what's next. अबे इतनी सारी चीजें कर ली हैं. Are you grandmother yet?
Yes.
How many grand?
So my grandson, mashallah, is 13.
Wow.
So I have a teenager grandson, Hussein.
You're a young grandmother.
I love my grandchildren. Yeah. My Ailu is 10.
Okay.
So my granddaughter Ayla is 10.
Beautiful.
तो बड़े grand and it's a beautiful relationship.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इससे कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती. और कोई भी नहीं होता कि जी अच्छा स्कूल की फी भरनी है, करना वो माँ बाप का मसला है. मैं सर कम ऑन गाइस, लेट्स गो फॉर लंच, चलो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. अच्छा, तीका नानी आर यू होम, विल कम एंड हैंग आउट विद यू. ग्रेट.
ऑलराइट, वंडरफुल, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो दैट्स अनदर रिलेशनशिप ऑल टुगेदर.
Oh, lovely. You don't have grandchildren?
No. Not yet.
Wait till it hits.
Yeah, I'm dying to have it. मुझे तो बच्चे बहुत.
हाँ, but you see, we are part of the problem. ये होता है ना, बच्चों कहते हैं अच्छा तो कब वो बेचारों को करना ही नहीं करना, वो नहीं, हमें वो ज़्यादा होता है कि we want grandchildren. So yeah, I have two lovely grandkids.
I haven't done that. My daughter-in-law keeps telling me, I was like, it's your body, do what you want.
Yeah, of course. Absolutely. There's no pressure on that.
जब होगा नहीं होगा, adopt कर लो, जो मर्जी करो भाई. Because I'm not like one.
And I see my daughter going through different challenges with her children, you know, like in fact, I think to some extent she understood me better when she became a mother.
Yeah, they all do.
Yeah.
They have
because before I was like, Ammi, you didn't do this right and you didn't do that right. I said, yeah, whatever I did. Sorry, yaar. I can only apologize.
You were so young.
Yeah.
That's why the relationship also. So now
but a very good life.
Yeah, mashallah.
Good life. No complaints. Many blessings.
So what's next?
So next is I'm trying to with our board get ACT to become bigger and grow, stronger.
Okay.
We want to get state life involved. We want to get other things involved for our members. I want to see a lot more of these associations come up. I want to help wherever I can. Because मैंने कहा ना, हम तो यतीम थे. जब हम इस काम में आए तो वी फेल्ट वेरी यतीम, कि ना हमारे ख़ानदान को समझ आ रही थी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ना ये लोग हमें समझ. हम बाकियों को यतीम क्यों छोड़े?
मैं भी ये सोच, बिकॉज ये जो मुझे याद है पठाने खान का भाई, उसका निशाने व्हाटएवर यू गेट, बड़ा जो अवार्ड होता है वो बेचा था रेडी के ऊपर.
इन अवार्ड्स का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता ना, फ़ायदा ही नहीं है. या तो आप कोई पर्क्स दें उसके साथ. आप मुझे तकलीफ होती है सोच के कि इन लोगों के साथ, बिकॉज जो गरीब लोग होते हैं, जो फोक आर्टिस्ट हैं, जो कि आई एम श्योर देयर आर. भाई आप ये नेशनल अवार्ड्स देना, उसके साथ होना चाहिए फ्री ट्रैवल फॉर लाइफ, फ्री डेज, फ्री हेल्थ, फ्री एवरीथिंग. देयर शुड बी अ होल पैकेज विद दीस नेशनल अवार्ड्स, नॉट जस्ट अ recognition. It's not enough.
I agree with you. It's an honor, it's great, but it still doesn't
it should give you some real life perks,
right,
that help you in your stage of life when you need the real help, you know.
So okay, that sounds very good.
ऑल्सो आई फील कि एक पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. जैसे मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ, मैंने यूपीए के लिए पहले बहुत काम किया, मैं अभी एक्ट के आई मीन मैं ये सोचती हूँ यार कितनी बेइज्जती की बात है कि अगर हमारी जनरेशन में भी हम कुछ नहीं करके जाएंगे तो फिर वी कांट ब्लेम एनीबॉडी एल्स ना.
No,
इज लाइक सेइंग कि वो बाकी नहीं करके गए तो हम भी लेट्स ट्राई एटलीस्ट, राइट?
It's also it's your legacy also.
आई डोंट हैव लेगेसी की कोई कमी नहीं है.
That's true.
सब जगह लेगेसी लेकिन यार मेरा मतलब है कि आपको अल्लाह ताला एक मौका देता है कि आप कुछ कर सकते हैं ना.
Was there, I mean, अभी भी you're doing a lot of work.
Yeah,
how busy are you?
Very busy.
How busy?
I do 2 projects at a time.
At a time, right.
And I travel, then I have, so I don't have children at home anymore. बड़े बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, टाइम है, मियाँ मेरा काम पे जाता है, ऑल वेरी लाइक
इंडिपेंडेंट. वो बताओ ना जो तुम मुझे अभी बता रही थी शुरू होने से पहले.
कौन सा? कि
मैं सुबह 11 बजे पहुंच जाती हूँ, सारे यंग एक्टर्स रात में.
तो अब ये है कि आजकल जो है ना, नॉट अ लॉट बट सम young people are really indisciplined and it's very very upsetting. So when I go on a set, मैं तो पहले ही कह देती हूँ एक्टर्स को, एक आपकी मामी घर पे, एक मामी आपकी है, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो मेरे पास आए. आपको I've decided to adopt that role because I know as a young person when I went on sets, I needed somebody there
and you respected it
and
also.
Mentors or whatever. So I want the young kids to know that I'm there if they need me. The other thing is that if somebody is not, मेरे set पे तो माशाल्लाह सब, because they know कि ये तो आके नहीं बर्दाश्त करेंगी. But if let's say I'm on set and I'm ready because I go ready and the other actors have not come for whatever reason, मैं तो कह देती हूँ मेरे सोलो शुरू कर लें, फोन टॉकी शुरू कर लें, काम शुरू करते हैं. बिकॉज फॉर अ प्रोड्यूसर टाइम इज़ मनी. प्रोड्यूसर का पैसा लगा हुआ है, टाइम ज़ाया हो रहा है, आपने लोकेशन के भी पैसे दिए हुए हैं, ENG को भी दिए हुए हैं, एक्टर्स को भी. इट्स जस्ट प्योर डिसरिस्पेक्ट. सो इफ यू साइंड अ जॉब, take it seriously. It's also very bad when you're not professional because you give everybody a bad rep. You know, सबकी बेइज्जती होती है कि यार एक्टर्स तो हैं ही ऐसे.
Exactly. रेपुटेशन बन जाती है. हाँ.
तो एक कम्युनिटी की रेपुटेशन बन जाती है. तो आप
you think अभी हो गया थोड़ा सा इनडिसिप्लिन हुए?
नहीं, it's better. It's getting there. कुछ बच्चे आए हैं जो अपना वो एक समझ नहीं पा रहे कि वो कर क्या रहे हैं. वो आए क्विक मनी या फेम या शौक, यू नो. जब वो चीज इतने साल चलती रहेगी ना, उनको समझ आएगी कि क्या क्या
नहीं हुई अभी तक उनकी.
They need the mentor.
Yes, they do.
Nobody is there to tell them because the families don't know what this is about, right? They are not from this fraternity.
उनको नहीं पता.
If we don't guide, I'm always sitting lecturing. I know I become a big lecture auntie, but I'm always sitting and saying, बेटा प्लीज मेरी बात सुन ले, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. मैं आई थी तो मुझे समझ नहीं था, आपको पता अंदाजा नहीं है आपका काम इतना लंबा चलेगा. तो ये जुल्म ना करें अपने साथ.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah. Respect what you're doing.
I agree. Yeah. I 100% believe in that. Yeah. But I generally find that Pakistanis, अरे फिर तुम कहोगी हम बहुत are not disciplined.
No, that's a cultural problem. I agree.
रोड पे indisciplined हैं. टाइम का तो बिल्कुल, टाइम तो मैं समझती हूँ सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होती है. जैसे अतीका 5 मिनट पहले आई थी. Let me tell you. And I said to her, I have 3 minutes, I will go and change and I will be on time as well because I value and respect that so much.
No, you know? Of course.
और मुझे अपनी खुद तकलीफ होती है अगर मैं कहीं भी लेट हो जाऊँ.
नहीं, अच्छा मैं आपको एक बात बताऊँ, हमारे में ये ऐसी एक शॉर्ट कमिंग है कि हम बड़े ढीले एंड लेथार्जिक एंड अच्छा यार कल कर लेंगे, लेकिन हमारी हॉस्पिटैलिटी अमेजिंग होती है. Agree. You see, we've got a balance.
Balance है. हाँ, मुझे भी वही, मेरे बहुत सारे गोरे दोस्त कहते हैं छोड़ो यार, हमारे मुल्क आओगे वॉलेट घर छोड़ के आओ.
मैं ये कह रही हूँ ना कि इट्स अमेजिंग हॉस्पिटैलिटी जो हमारे मुल्क की है. सो आई बिलीव इन लुकिंग एट द ग्लास हाफ फुल. You know, there's again, it's a way you look at life. Very positive. If you look at the glass half empty, your life is going to be miserable.
Yeah.
You must look at the glass half full and say कि you know, मेरे पर केस भी हुआ. I looked at the glass half full. मैं अदालतों में जाती थी तो कैदी हथकड़ियों में उठ के कहते थे प्लीज बैठ जाएं.
Sweet.
इतना फैन फॉलोइंग. मुझे आके पुलिस वाले चाय पिला रहे हैं. मेरा हमारी अपनी एक इज्जत है, हमारे लोग हमें बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैं.
सही बात.
I mean, I had a huge support system in this country when the Chief Justice did his case, right? So Chief Justice is not a small thing. It's the highest authority in the judicial system.
Right.
But I had huge support from the Awam. And from social media and from people, which I didn't even know actually. people wrote articles in my favor and against him, and I'm like, ये लोग कौन है?
Yeah.
You know, it was half full for me. I was like, oh my God, I had no idea that I had so much love in this country.
Yeah.
मैं जब पहले दिन अदालत गई थी, मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ थी नहीं, मैं मुल्क से बाहर थी. आई केम बैक टू प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ इन टू पिंडी कचहरी. तो इनको पता भी नहीं था कि मैं आ रही हूँ. जब वो जब फाइल लगाते ना तो मीडिया को पता चल जाता कि आज अपेयर होंगे. तो जब मैं पिंडी कचहरी पहुँचूँ, दुनिया की मीडिया की वैन्स लगी हुई है ना. एक हजूम था, स्नाइपर्स, फीमेल पुलिस, पता नहीं क्या क्या हजूम था. एंड आई वॉक्ड इन अलोन विद माई लॉयर. A wall of human beings came around me. I don't know who they were. लोग, इतने सारे लोग मेरे इधर आके धक्के दे रहे हैं, मैडम को कोई हाथ नहीं लगाएगा. I'm like, who are these people? It was just incredible.
And gives you strength.
You see,
and emotion also.
I'm like, oh my God, I've done something okay that people do care. ऐसे लोगों को धक्के, फिर पुलिस और मीडिया में लड़ाई होगी, मुक्के मार रहे हैं एक दूसरे को. I had to duck from under the ladai and get into the courtroom.
Wow.
I actually sat down in that and said, I feel like I'm in a Punjabi movie right now. And it felt like a Punjabi film.
It was so like a movie.
It was so animated and so unreal. And I kept sitting there, Freya, thinking, what a waste of natural resource. What a waste of natural resource. I mean, there are people in this country who are suffering on so many levels, and you've got time for this rubbish.
Yeah. This is true. Yeah.
But I learned. I sat in that kacheri for a long time, and I saw such misery. People suffer. कचहरी लेवल पे जो लोग जिनकी सफरिंग होती है गरीब की, आपको अंदाज़ा नहीं है. मेरी एक ख्वाहिश है, और अगर कोई ये देख रहा है और आपको इन्वेस्ट करना चाहे, प्लीज़ मेरे साथ एक सीरीज़ बना ले कचहरी. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर एन इन्वेस्टर. आई रियली वांट टू develop a whole series where I can show the kacheri level of justice that happens and how people suffer.
Oh God.
It's a different
but you
world.
are a producer. You have your own company.
It's a different world.
Audio production.
Yeah,
right?
but it requires a lot more than just that. It requires a lot of research, a lot of a team. It requires a lot of permissions. Because I will not do something to disrespect my judicial system.
Right.
I want to help it evolve and become better. I saw judges and lawyers also suffer in those kacheris, not just the mujrims or whatever.
Yeah.
You know,
I think एक चीज़ तो establish हो गई है with everything, and every time you talk about it, I can see that there was a lot to deal with. But also सबसे positive बात ये है कि इस सब कुछ होने के बावजूद, the positive side is you see both the balances, but you also see the positives.
So I see the opportunity.
Yes.
The opportunity to grow.
Yeah.
Because that is my nature. It has always been my nature. As a child also, I always thought, अच्छा ये, I can do it this way to become better. देखिए ना, आप जिंदगी में आप या तो हार मान लें, या आप कहें यार मैं इसको ठीक कर सकती हूँ. जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस आपका अगर शादी का रिश्ता है और वो लेट्स से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आप नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सक रहे. मैं अक्सर कहती हूँ लोगों से कि इसके बजाय कि आप एक टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप रह के अपने बच्चों को जुल्म दिखाएं हर रोज़, और वही फिर वो रोल मॉडल करके वो अपने भी रिश्तों में लेके जाएंगे, बेहतर है कि आप अलग होके ना एक कामयाब ज़िंदगी गुजार लें, ताकि आपके बच्चे एक कामयाब वालिद या वालिदैन को देख सकें कि यार एक रोल मॉडल है जो ठीक है, यार ये भी हो सकता है. Otherwise, what are you showing them? What are you role modeling? That you just have to live in a bad relationship? No, I disagree.
I agree. Maybe. अब वो I think वो ज़माने गए.
बिल्कुल.
बच्चों के लिए करो, वो कितनी गलत बात है. बच्चों के लिए बर्दाश्त कर लो.
नहीं, और वो एक ही पे होता है ना, हमेशा टिल्ट औरत पे होता है, क्या बस पर. अच्छा, दूसरा मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी, and maybe you girls will not like me for it, but I also don't really agree with the very extreme feminist movement, because in my life my male colleagues have been very good to me, very supportive. तो मैं क्या generalize ना करें. जब आप कहते हैं ना men and औरत march and all, it's fine, but don't generalize, because in society there's all types of people. यार, I have male colleagues who've had women actually emotionally abuse them. I have had male colleagues go through this. Of
course, it goes both ways.
So आपको ना एक fine line होती है, बड़ा ध्यान से आपको कदम उठाना चाहिए. Don't become part of the problem, become part of the solution.
और फेमिनिज्म का मतलब लोगों को समझ नहीं आती. फेमिनिज्म का मतलब हमेशा से ये रहा है इक्वालिटी फॉर ऑल जेंडर्स. It has never been. हम मर्दों पे भी हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा बोझ डाल देते हैं ना कि वो ही जाए
और
कमाए.
आप मुझे बताएं ना, आप राइट्स किससे मांग रही हैं?
हाँ.
अब क्यों मांग रही हैं?
Yeah.
आपको अल्लाह ताला ने राइट्स दिए हैं.
Exactly.
आपको मेरे व्हाट आर यू डूइंग बाय आस्किंग फॉर राइट्स? यू ऑलरेडी लेबलिंग योरसेल्फ एज अ सेकंड क्लास सिटीजन. I have never as a professional thought I have to go to you or XYZ. I just go to work as a professional, not a man or a woman. मैं ये नहीं कहती मैं औरत हूँ या मैं मर्द, मैं कहती हूँ काम करूँ जाके. अब if I'm better than everybody else in the room, I'll succeed.
Yes.
Just work hard.
Right. Yeah. Agreed. Agreed. Anything else we've missed? Huh? Oh yeah, we forgot about your makeup line.
Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah. So you know,
I have
started
so
off as a
many of
stylist.
them upstairs. My God.
Yeah.
And I think you were the first person
Yeah.
to do this. And where did that happen? This entrepreneurship.
So it happened because I felt about 16 years ago that there's a lot of very copy products in the market sold at very high prices. So it's zulm on the stylists who work. I started off as a stylist.
Right.
So I felt that we should be giving an opportunity for good quality product at an affordable price. So then I started to develop a line and find products and started that business. Very challenging, very difficult. It's still around, but every day there's a new challenge, and it's a very tough. That way, it's a tough country to work in from a business perspective.
Locally
because
बनता है.
नहीं, I bring it all from bahar because
तो डॉलर बहुत ऊपर चला गया.
but I don't have the hygiene facilities. You can't here. You can't. You need to have very good hygiene facilities for makeup.
Okay.
So the thing is that it's all about really giving an option to people that where they can enjoy something at an affordable. अच्छा, अब हम ऑनलाइन जैसे 2 साल कोविड का हुआ, ग्रेट फॉर बिजनेस. वाई? बिकॉज सबको COD समझ आ गया. अब एक लड़की बैठी हुई है किसी छोटे गांव में, उसके पास मॉल या शॉप नहीं है, वो अपने वो फोन पे जाके ऑर्डर दे देती है, हम COD डिलीवरी भेज देते हैं. सो यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ बायर एंड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी where maybe they couldn't get access to something.
Right.
So again, I've seen that evolution happen in retail,
Okay.
which has been fantastic.
Yes, I agree with you. I think also COVID के ज़माने में सब के पास टाइम था तो सब लोग मेकअप के वीडियोस बना रहे थे, सब कुछ कपड़े पहन रहे थे, हम लोगों ने भी
Trying to keep ourselves emotionally healthy.
busy रखा अपने आप को. So this is a great. So this has been 15-16 years.
Yes.
Wow.
And then everybody else, and Musarrat, Nabila, everybody.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of them.
Yeah, I think that's
I'm
great.
really proud of them. And as I said, everybody has their own kismat.
Yeah.
We will all find wherever it is destined that you're going to find success, it'll happen.
Yeah.
You can't. I'm a firm believer you can't force things.
Yeah.
You just try.
Yeah, you have to try, and it's great that you appreciate others doing it too.
I do absolutely. I
No,
appreciate.
not everybody has the same sentiment. Sab bade there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of sort of I don't know.
Sometimes competition is
insecurity.
healthy.
हाँ, insecurity
healthy
हो जाती है. हम तो because actor होना का मतलब है कि और actors भी आएंगे.
हाँ.
You know, and एक aging process भी है. So we all know that life goes on. That's
By
why,
the way, this is a good topic.
Aging
We have to talk
process.
about the aging and
Tell
the
me.
filler and Botox wala.
You
So
look
what
great.
is going on?
I haven't asked you
No,
what
but
you
I
do.
don't, and I really sometimes यहाँ कुछ करा लेना चाहिए.
अच्छी genes है भाई तुम्हारे.
Aging on camera is really hard
I
for an
know.
actor. It is. I see my like, oh my god.
हाँ, मैं मुझे भी होता है.
But
मैं
the thing is-
ये podcast ही देखती हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ हाँ इधर से उधर से.
नहीं, but the thing is that एक तो girls people are doing it too much.
हाँ,
एक तो
okay.
expression खत्म हो जाता है. अब जैसे मैं गई थी, I went to one of the derms and I said, I'm really upset. I'm getting these lines. हाँ, Botox, but these won't move. Eyebrow. Now I do a lot of eyebrow. My expression is a lot of eyebrow movement. ऐसे छोड़ते हैं. I said आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आधी एक्टिंग तो eyebrows है मेरी.
हाँ, मगर तुम्हारे तो बिल्कुल नहीं इतना
मैं
ज़्यादा.
कहा हिलेंगे ही नहीं तो अब नहीं करें आप इसे.
हाँ, फिर.
So I'm basically a डरपोक. I hate needles, and I just feel if I have been given the opportunity to live as a beautiful person for so many years of my life, right, blessed, I should also then enjoy aging in a dignified manner. You can age with dignity also and enjoy that phase of your life. I see too many people, especially women in our fraternity, who are going through hell. They're so insecure, they can't stop filling and botoxing and facelifting.
Body also, body.
No,
change.
so much because they are never happy.
Yeah.
They are never happy. I don't say that don't do it. करें आप लोग करें अगर, but यार एक balance in the sense कि एक natural human process होता है, उसको भी आप respect रखें उसका.
Yeah.
अब so many people I see have no expression left because they just The mummy fight. I call them your mummy. What's going on? There's no.
Tell them.
I do. I'm very bad.
मुंह पे
अरे ये क्या किया है? शक्ल क्या किया है? चेहरा खत्म चेंज हो गया है. फेस मैं बोल देती हूँ. I'm very bad that way. But ये है कि I think you should really age gracefully.
It's a personal thing. I mean,
Of course it. अरे भाई look, diet, wear nice clothes, do whatever you need to, little bit, but एक limit तक ना. When it starts to become a psychological problem, like an addiction.
That I agree.
It's an addiction. I've seen people who go through it to a level where they're like now they can't live without going once a month to do something. And that's an addiction.
Yeah.
It becomes a problem then.
Yeah. And I think that is something that I guess.
I am using a lot of support of like you get these wonderful brands that give you a lot of like moisturizing feeling.
Right.
That on camera helps a lot. It helps with the lines.
There's a lot of
and makeup.
stuff
Yes,
now, you know,
I
which is
I
amazing.
pick up a lot of creams, a lot of. I do a lot of face yoga.
Yeah.
Face
Oh,
yoga
that's
is
very good.
yes, very important. It really helps you with I am aging. I see it.
Yeah.
It bothers me. Of course, I'm human. I'm spoiled. I'm
You're
used to
looking
seeing.
great.
Yeah, but you know.
देखते हो बिल्कुल वैसी की वैसी है.
But when मैं देखती हूँ ना कि हाय मैं जवानी में ये होता है ना, your aging on camera is very hard for a woman especially. I feel men get away, they put beards and they get away with it, you know. We women, it's a little girls, so it's a little difficult.
No, I don't know. I think I mean Nashmiya and I, हमारी जॉब ब्रिंगिंग थी. हमने अपने आप को कभी देख के हमने सोचा ही नहीं था कि हम खूबसूरत हैं. That's the difference. For us, we were हमेशा taught to be achievers.
Achha, really? But you were both good-looking women.
Yeah, but we never.
You had a fantastic figure also.
No, but I never looked at that. I always looked at what am I doing next.
So in my case, see now, if you ask me, one of the greatest challenges I had in my life is to be recognized as a thinking person.
Yes.
Because everybody always looked at my face always.
Yes.
People ask me. They ask me very blatantly. A lot of people have asked me in the past, okay, how is it to have been a beautiful woman, right? I'm like, you don't understand. It comes with its own set of challenges, yaar.
Acting karna bhi intelligent काम. I mean, I don't understand how people think ke models are ditzy, actors are ditzy. You have no idea how much
it's very hard work.
It's a lot of hard work. And I think anything that you require to survival is hard work. To be brave is hard work. I think people don't, they just put you in a stereotype.
No, and to dodge a lot of various types of exploitation as a good-looking person.
Thank you.
Let's not even forget about that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know,
12
साल की उम्र में stalking हो रही है. You know, ये तो
it's got its own set of challenges.
हाँ, तो नश्मिया के भी रिश्ते आने शुरू.
वही ना, तो I'm saying
light eyed,
गोरी,
चिट्टी,
वही ना.
तो रिश्ते भी आएंगे 12 साल की उम्र से.
So that's what I'm saying. It has its own set of challenges. Nobody has it easy. जिंदगी में हर इंसान के कोई ना कोई मुश्किल वक्त और चैलेंज आता है. आप उसके साथ करते क्या है वो आपके ऊपर है.
Exactly.
You know.
True that.
And I made a lot of mistakes in my life. मैंने गलतियाँ की हैं. इंसान हूँ मैं कोई you know I'm not a बुत और फरिश्ता. I'm a human being. But I've tried to learn from them and not repeat them.
Yeah. I think so. All right. Anything else we've left? Okay, let's
So
go.
nothing spicy.
What spicy? What do you want
No
me
spicy,
to say?
no acha.
What do you want me to do? You want me to talk about it?
No.
Yeah?
What
I can
gift to
always
give
go
you?
there.
Really?
Yeah.
No spicy. I don't have much of spice. I
course
married
you
my
do.
spice. Really?
Of course you do.
Acha.
But I didn't want to go there because I was
Acha.
just like, okay.
Huh.
I can.
Wow, what is this gift?
So this is from Lorella.
Huh.
And this is a brand.
Okay.
It's a makeup brand actually.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
not skincare
Nice.
but makeup.
Wow.
And yeah,
Okay.
and
who is it by?
This is well, it's out of LA.
Okay.
But believe it or not, my daughter-in-law is running this brand.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yeah. So
Wow.
it's from her.
Thank you. I'll
Yeah.
enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay,
So yeah,
great,
that's
great,
one.
great. No, you know, Acha, I'll tell you something really fun. You like
What have
this.
I not?
I'll tell you
Are
something
there
really
any
fun.
fights?
No, so
are there any
when
relationships with
I married
actors?
Sammy, when I married Summer, एक आग लग गई ना कि तीसरी शादी करने जा रही हैं, तो वो फोन शुरू हो गया एंड ऑल. तो मैंने कहा जी हाँ जी हाँ मैडम आप तीसरी शादी करने बताएं, देखें ये क्या ये वो. I said, oh God, this is a new saga in my life now. मैं एक हलाल काम करने जा रही हूँ, ये भी मसला हो गया. So I called up Shaista Lodi. She used to do the Geo morning show.
I remember.
एंड एवरीबडी वांटेड एन इंटरव्यू. आज शाइस्ता सबको इंटरव्यू लेके मैं आपके शो पे आके बात करना चाह रही हूँ, राइट? बिकॉज her show was popular, she was good, she understood, there was a rating. So I took my husband and we went and sat, and that's where I broke the story of how I proposed to Samar.
अच्छा.
I said मैं यहाँ पे बात कहना चाह रही हूँ कि एक तो मैं बहुत अच्छी मुसलमान औरत हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे इजाज़त है कि मैं तलाक और शादी कर सकती हूँ, तो मैं कोई हराम नहीं कर रही यहाँ पे. तो आपको मसला है, आप अपना मसला कर रखें.
affair with him? Was he already married?
No, he was divorced. I was divorced. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. We were both single and we were both like we knew each other through our social work and everything. और दोस्ती शुरू हो गई थी. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे पहले कि एक स्कैंडल हो जाए या कोई आगे बात बढ़े, let's formalize it. तो मैंने कहा, और मैंने इनको बिठा के कहा कि मुझे लगता है कि आप मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, मैं आई थिंक आपको अच्छी लगती हूँ, आई थिंक हमें शादी कर लेनी चाहिए. वहाँ हमारे बड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं, उनको लोग 1000 बातें सुनाएंगे. केस मेरा चल रहा था, वो एक और मसला था, मेरी ज़िंदगी में स्ट्रेस बहुत था. मैं कहा देखिए, मैं और ये मेरे बेटा भी चाहता है कि मैं सेटल हो जाऊँ. तो it took him 30 seconds to say yes. He said he was so taken aback. Oh my God, ये क्या हुआ क्या?
तो कहेगा क्या वो ना करते का ना कहोगे.
But it's brave of me, I think.
I think it's very brave, and I think you courage दे रही हो दूसरी लड़कियों को कि भाई अगर कोई पसंद है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप उसका इंतजार करो.
ज्यादा ना कर देता.
ना करेगा तो
कहता नहीं, I don't want to, खत्म हो गई बात.
ठीक है, दूसरे टाइम वेस्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो इसका मतलब है कि I mean other than that जावेद की तो शादी नहीं हुई थी, right? So there's no scandal there.
No, he was a single man.
Single man था.
I was single also.
He was one of our group friends, and I remember. And your first husband, you don't talk much about, and I maybe because they're family friends, and you don't want to go there because of the children, which I completely respect also. But मुझे ये बताओ कि जो सैमी के जो बच्चे हैं उनसे तुम्हारी रिलेशन है?
तो शुरू में तो बड़ा थोड़ा सा मेरी तरफ से तो आसान था, क्योंकि माई चिल्ड्रन इनिशिएटेड एंड दे ऑल केम अराउंड. थोड़ा सा ही हैज़ अ डॉटर एंड 3 sons. मेरा रिश्ता बेटों के साथ थोड़ा सा ऑब्वियसली उनको एक खौफ और डर था कि एक सुतेली माँ, who is this woman? And they knew me because I used to be friends with their mother's younger sister also. तो पुरानी दोस्तियाँ भी थी. बट दे वर वरीड कि ये क्या, प्लस सोचा कि यार हमारा बाप क्या कर, एक बच्चों में होता है, एक तो डिवोर्स एंड मैरिज. तो इट वाज अ लिटिल टेंस इनिशियली, बट ओवर टाइम आई थिंक दे गॉट टू नो मी अ लिटिल बेटर. And sort of everything relaxed. And we all have a very civilized, very respectful relationship. And I think everybody has been very decent, which is important, I think it was hard initially for everybody.
I think एक तो fears यही होते हैं ज़्यादातर कि गोल्ड डिगर ना हो, तो ये बड़ी बात आ जाती है.
I make more money than him. So I think my children would have that fear, not this.
Okay, this is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You see, these are the
okay,
things.
So listen, so now.
आती है, वो rights ले जाएगी,
नहीं, मैं ये लड़कियों को बार-बार कहती हूँ, आप हमेशा काम करें, अपना पैसा कमाएं, अपना wealth create करें, अपना घर बनाएं, ताकि कोई आपको निकाल ना सके. और आप शादी करें क्योंकि आपको मोहब्बत है या जो भी है, लेकिन आप पैसे और इन चीज़ों की शादी ना करें.
Exactly.
Because if you are compromised financially, he will always think that you married him for the wrong reasons.
Yes, I agree. और मैं भी ये हमेशा कहती हूँ, सबसे पहले एजुकेशन, सबसे पहले एजुकेशन.
पढ़ो, तालीम हासिल करो, मेहनत करो, एक करियर बनाओ, एक बिजनेस बनाओ, करियर बनाओ, जॉब कुछ भी, लेकिन आपने कमाई नहीं छोड़नी. कोई आए जाए कुछ नहीं हो, यू मस्ट कीप अर्निंग योर ओन मनी and having your own bank account.
Yeah, because उसके बगैर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. उसके बगैर आप ट्रैप हो जाते हो.
मैंने तो क्लब मेंबरशिप्स भी अपनी चेंज नहीं किए. I'm sorry, I'm a permanent member and my own. I've been playing 30 years. I will not become wife.
Good.
Why?
Yeah,
कि जी वो शादी होगी तो आप अपनी मेंबरशिप छोड़ के. I said why? I'm an individual who pays her own money, own taxes, own anything. Why should I give up my membership because I've married somebody who's a member? No, sorry, not happening.
Yeah.
So I'm very clear. I have started from scratch.
Yeah.
I have made my own life.
Right.
And my own career. I have built my own home. I brought up my own children. And I'm answerable to nobody.
You are also very honest. तो मुझे भी कह रही हो मसाला नहीं, मसाला इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि जो कुछ भी है
सामने है.
तो मुझे भी ये कहनी थी मैं कि जो कुछ है ना वो सब लिखा हुआ है
और लोगों को समझ नहीं आती. लोग समझते हैं कुछ होगा जरूर.
छुपा रहे हैं कुछ.
ये हो नहीं सकता कुछ तो.
क्योंकि
बट यार हम एक तो मेरा ये है कि आई बीन सो बिजी विद माय वर्क. हम एक्टिंग में हम सुबह 10 बजे जाके रात को 7, 8, 9 बजे आते हैं. The work is so tiring. By the time you come home, you just want a bath and a meal and bed, right? You're exhausted. And I didn't come into this profession to disrespect it. I came like, I love my craft. I love my work as an actor. I love bringing out a woman on screen. मेरी कोशिश होती है कि हर औरत मुख्तलिफ हो. अभी मेरे 2-3 जो चल रहे हैं, एक में पंजाबन आ गई है, एक में अपर क्लास आ गई है, एक में वर्किंग वुमन आ गई, यू नो. मेरी कोशिश है कि हर एक औरत जो मैं क्रिएट करूँ स्क्रीन पे उसका एक अपना एक अंदाज, फसाड, टोन सब कुछ होनी चाहिए. बिकॉज एक इंसान को आप जिंदगी दे रहे होते हैं. सो आई लव माई क्राफ्ट एज एन एक्टर एंड दैट्स सच अ fantastic creative process that has for many years been my therapy also. मैं कैमरा के सामने आके हंसूं, रोऊं, कुछ करूं, सब माफ. So beautiful
What's
therapy.
your favorite character?
I think I've enjoyed them all. I really have. They've been so, you know, gut. They've been so good
What's the
from
one
gut.
that you want to play? Okay, you see so many movies, films.
So I'll tell you, Fuad, you better watch this. So I said to Fuad, he was at my place recently. I said, सबसे बड़ा जुल्म मेरी ज़िंदगी में यह था कि सरमत खुसट ने मुझे तुम्हारी माँ बना दिया. अब उसको तोड़ना है, हमने कुछ करना है, ऐसा रोल करना है जहाँ पे तुम ओल्डर वुमन लव अफेयर टाइप नहीं होता. That's what I want to do. Yeah. So they were all laughing, but I said, yes, I'm very serious. What is this rubbish that age is a problem?
Right.
You see, that's
Right.
still a problem. Although in प्यार के सदके, my character is 10 years older than Umair Rana's, right? So we did kind of hit that, like touch it, and it was accepted.
Right.
But I think this older woman, younger man thing has to be brought out properly on screen.
I agree.
Like a proper love story. Age should not be defining characters.
How can it define when your prophet married someone who was older? I mean, think about it. Right?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
वहाँ पे accept हो जाती है चीज़, तो यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं accept होती?
बिल्कुल. I was watching something online recently. Bushra Ansari.
हाँ.
वो just came with Iqbal.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I think so too.
Samina Ahmed.
हाँ.
Remarrying in her 70s.
वो तो कोविड की सबसे बेस्ट
Fantastic.
न्यूज़ थी.
तो मैंने तो सबको कहा, मैं कहा मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आप सबके लिए ये रोल मॉडलिंग की थी. Because after that, Bushra, Samina, everybody thought of marriage.
Yes, and also like, you know, this trap, the whole trap is broken. Once you break that chain,
I think it's fabulous.
Makes it easier.
You know, nobody knows what goes on in your life.
Yeah.
You show what you want to show. Behind closed doors जो होता है वो सिर्फ आप जानते हैं. And you know what you need or don't need or what will enrich your life.
Yeah.
And I remember I've had this conversation with many of my female colleagues. Don't live for society, yaar. Society is confused.
Yeah.
Society doesn't know what it wants itself.
Yeah.
Live for what's right and what you need.
Yes.
Don't hurt people.
Yeah.
Do what you have to for who you have to, kids, your parents. You know, जिम्मेदारियाँ.
Yeah.
Just live your life.
Yeah. And I think also you're giving so much, it's not just because you're a society, or because you're a celebrity, you are then letting everybody else know it's okay. And once you let go of this, the secret जो होता है ना, secret जिसको लेके बैठे होते हैं, जिसमें कोई खराबी नहीं है. There's no shame in that secret. Okay, but you're holding on to it, and it's a burden. It becomes a burden.
You see, there's a difference. If you're keeping something because you're trying to protect somebody's privacy, could be your parents, your children, your ex-husband, whoever, then that's acceptable.
Yeah.
If you're keeping something just because you're frightened of discuss, that's silly.
Yeah.
Because I feel what you and I at this stage of our lives share, especially with the younger girls, will help somebody.
Yeah.
You know, I was so touched. Somebody messaged me, this lady I know in Saudi Arabia. She wrote to me and she said, I did a BBC interview with my husband in which I said, मैंने आराम नहीं हलाल काम किया इनसे शादी करके. She said, because of that interview, after many years of being alone, I've remarried.
Oh, lovely.
So I've had a lot of. Then I had a lady who messaged me on my Facebook many years ago, saying, "Because of you, I'm alive. Because I watched your film that you produced on breast cancer, and I had a lump. I went to the doctor, checked, and it was aggressive form of cancer. It's cut out, and I'm living because of you." अरे भाई एक message, it's enough for a lifetime.
मुझे भी आते हैं sexual harassment पे आते हैं. You helped me. I messaged you. You told me what to do.
That's it.
And it's just giving them little bit of strength.
Absolutely.
You know, and passing it on that you're okay and you're right to do this. Yeah, very important.
So you are contributing.
Yes, exactly.
If you're contributing and not compromising somebody else's privacy, great. But if there's other people involved and you know it'll impact them, then you have to maintain a certain decorum, I feel.
Yeah. So, okay, I can see what I can see from watching you right now is there were moments where you went deep into it, you know, when you were getting emotional and you were talking about things. So I can see you're a very strong person, and I can see that you've gone through it, and that you've also, it's also the maturity that comes with dealing with things, you know. And so I just think that in itself, और ये जो अभी सब कुछ आपने बताया है, this is amazing, and I think this is also going to be, बाकी जो skeletons हैं closet में, वो तो मैं कहाँ से निकालूँ, क्योंकि तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है.
नहीं देखो, पता है इसमें ये एक प्रोसेस जो होता है ना ईमानदारी वाला, वो बड़ा एक ख़तरनाक प्रोसेस होता है. वो आप you have to be ready for it at every phase. Like you and I, what we've done is like a therapy session right now, you know. We've shared with the world. But it's a very dangerous process because you could be triggering so many things that are perhaps not ready to come out. Every stage of our lives we'll do something different. I mean, everybody says write a book, right? And I'm like, yeah, I will. But you see, it'll be such an honest book that I'll probably, I don't know who's going to survive it.
That's it. That's what I'm told all the time. And I keep saying, okay, you know, I'm already fighting with my mother half the time.
How many people will you hurt?
अम्मी मुझे कहती हैं तुमने ये क्यों बोला मैं तो बोलूँगी. मैं तो बोलूँगी because I think it's important.
But your mother is old school, na? Like my mother, they're old school and they feel. But society doesn't get impacted like that. It was at that time.
At that time,
In our time now, society is quite acceptable.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, Pakistani society is fantastic. I know because I've traveled all over this country for my shoots. And आप गरीब घराने में जाएंगे ना, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा वो खाना खिलाएगा.
I agree.
I mean, it's the elitist lot that's confused. They have a problem, not the real Pakistan.
I think that is going to be one of the most important points of this conversation, because that is something that I got hit on as well when I was doing whatever I was doing. And I was always trolled for that. Trolled क्या अपने दोस्त जो Ivy League school से आके आपको कहते थे ये तुम किस तरह खड़ी हुई हो, ये तुम्हारी शक्ल पान की दुकान पे लगी हुई है. तो you know what is
but it's because they don't have the confidence to be there.
Right.
They have to pull somebody down.
And then pulling you down, and then you're rethinking and you're thinking, okay, but my father doesn't think there's anything wrong with this. My mother doesn't think anything. So who are these people?
You know, actually, you asked me what was very frightening. I just remembered an incident. You remember when Swat was under attack and there was terrorists?
Yes.
And I started to rally in Karachi for Swat girls' schools. Eidi Saab, and everybody came out with us and we started walking. The next year we went up to Swat. I went up and the girls' schools walked with me. As prime time when they were beheading people in the Khuni Chowk.
You went up there?
I went up there.
Taliban जब पहुंच गए थे स्वात,
it was in the middle of the
school बंद करने शुरू कर दिए थे.
So 2 years of my life I spent rallying for the girls' schools in Swat. And the reason I did it is because I felt that if we as a society don't wake up and do this, they're going to be in Karachi and Peshawar and Islamabad. They'll be all over the country. I mean, girls' schools in Pakistan are being bombed. This is part of Pakistan. Swat is not a different country, you know. It's not a separate country.
They were 60 kilometers from Islamabad.
So I actually drove up. I took a PTV crew. And we did get support from the army. So we had protection. I remember when I was coming back, we had to stop midway because there was firing ahead and firing behind, and they had to be careful that we weren't driving into. It was very frightening. And so I got there, and we parked the PTV van. I got out of the van. I went up to the Khuni Chowk. I jumped up, and I said, "I'm going to from here give a soundbite." I turned around. And there was a sea of men. I think that was the most frightening moment of my life. And I said, oh my God, Atika, you're crazy. Because here you are on the Honi Chowk, standing with a sea of men, and this could be it. So I don't know what happened. I said, "Aapki औरतें कहाँ हैं?"
You said that.
And you know, they started bringing their women out.
Oh, really?
They started bringing. मैं अपनी बीवी को लाता हूँ, मैं अपनी बहन को लाता हूँ, मैं अपनी बेटी को लाता हूँ. आपकी औरतें कहाँ हैं? I don't know why I said it. It's just men. And they started to. And then I started walking from there. I went down. I walked towards where the shops and all were. And you know, they said, आपको पता है पहले आई हैं यहाँ पे कोई वज़ीर आज़म और सदर भी नहीं आया हमारा पूछने. That show ran on PTV live, and it started to. And then next I know, all these MNAs and MPs are catching helicopters, flying in, narebazi, helicopters out. This started happening.
Wow.
So that was the most frightening thing in my life. When I stood, I said, "Oh my God, yes, you're brave, but this is crazy."
But you thought they.
But you know, I have a special.
Might be the Taliban. No?
But I have a special relationship with the people of Swat. And a few years ago, Khalid Anam calls me on the phone and he says, "I've called to tell you something beautiful." I said, "What?" He said, he was doing a radio show. He said, "I got a call. A caller called in just now, and he said, मैं सवात से बोल रहा हूँ." तो कहते जी जी साहब, कहते मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाह रहा हूँ. मेरे घर बच्ची पैदा हुई है और मैंने उसका नाम अतीका रखा है.
अरे वाह.
He said this man has named his daughter after you because of the work you've done.
Beautiful.
I mean, you know. I said, "Wow, Khalid, thank you so much."
Wow.
That
Honi
is
Chowk क्यों कहते हैं उसे?
because they were beheading women there. There was a case called Shabana, the girl Shabana. She was a dancing girl.
Yeah.
They took her to the chalk
And they killed her.
and she said, "Don't cut my head." So they shot her dead. So, and they were killing people. That was where they were chopping people's heads on that chalk. It was terrible. And then I saw little children, छोटे 6 साल का, सबसे छोटा बच्चा 6 साल का, who had been actually brought back from suicide bomber camps. वो छोटे बच्चे. And so I asked the people there, I said, ये उनको families पे कहते हैं हम नहीं भेज सकते, इनको इतनी brain washing हुई है कि अभी आज अगर इनको छोड़ दे वापस चले जाएंगे उधर.
Oh my God.
I saw. I've seen so much in this country.
Horrific things, yeah.
And always, actually, as a mother,
Yeah.
anytime I've been involved in any of these things, I've always thought, okay, it would have been, God forbid, my son.
Yeah.
उस वक्त सवात में ये लोग डोर टू डोर जाके ना कहते थे, टेररिस्ट कहते थे कि अपना या तो सबसे छोटा बच्चा दे दो हमें या 60,000 रुपए दे दो. अब गरीब के पास 60,000 तो नहीं, तो छोटा बच्चा, बाकियों को बचाने के छोटा बच्चा दे देते थे. ये होता था सवात में.
उनको suicide.
उनको ट्रेनिंग मिलती थी.
And they had come so close.
They were here.
They were here. They were in
उसके बाद फिर आपको याद होगा पिशावर में और पिंडी में अटैक्स हुए थे.
Yeah. फिर कराची.
But that, I think, for me, was a very frightening time. That one turn
I agree
and.
with you. It was very frightening.
Yeah.
जो Air Force Base, Shara Faisal there, the airport.
Yeah.
Because airport is where you.
And then another time I was very emotionally was when I flew to Balakot after the earthquake.
Yeah.
That shattered me because I carried a child back who had been buried for 4 days. He was alive, but for a month I couldn't get the smell of his body and mitti, whatever his smell was. I couldn't get it out of my nose for a month. I carried him back to Islamabad for medical because nobody wanted to touch him.
Why?
बस बू आ रही है.
Allah, but he wasn't dead.
No.
Oh, that's terrible.
मैंने बहुत चीज़ें देखी हैं इस मुल्क में, लेकिन मैंने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें भी देखी हैं. मैंने दुख देखा है, मैंने बहुत इतने अच्छे लोग देखे हैं इस मुल्क में. So I can complain and मेरा मुल्क है, मैं जितना चाहे गाली दे सकती हूँ, आप गाली नहीं दे सकते इसका. That's how I look at it. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So people have real issues. Our issues are okay.
Yeah.
People have real issues.
Right.
And if you look at this, you look at the misery, you look at children orphaned, you look at the ghurbat. क्या हम लोग क्या बातें कर रहे हैं यार.
No,
हम लोग तो बड़े किस्मत वाले हैं, हमें तो सब कुछ अल्लाह मियां ने सब कुछ दिया हुआ है.
True. Wow.
So anything for next interview next time?
Yes, I
maybe,
think we should save some because we've talked for 2 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, if you leave me alone for so many years, then you're going to have to bear with me, right?
Wow, that's true. Third, ये तीसरा है, फिर अब मतलब चौथा interview रहता है अभी भी. Okay, guys, thank you so much, Atika, for being on FY, and for all of you, please do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below at FY.